Welcome, guys. Pedro here with another live stream. We are currently at 9:16 p.m. It is Wednesday. Super excited to have you guys here joining in. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button below and hit that little notification bell so you get notified every single time we're live, guys. Appreciate having you guys. So maybe you're new to trading, maybe you're just starting out, or maybe you've been trading for a long time and you haven't seen any success. Whatever the case is, guys, you are welcome here in our community. We have an amazing family here, community of traders, guys. We have our Blessed Traders Academy on our Telegram group. So make sure you guys click the link below to join. But also, you know what I mean? Like I said, if you're just looking for a community where you can be open, you can share your ideas, you've come to the right place, guys, and I look forward to seeing you guys join the family. So with that being said, guys, let's dive in. Let's get started. I'm just gonna update the video descriptions as usual. I'm just gonna do some updates, but before we begin, while we wait for more people to join in, let me know where you guys are joining us from, guys. Let's go over the excited to have you guys joining in tonight. And I'm doing the live stream. As you guys know, I'm here live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. But also I am doing right now, the evening live streams a little bit more consistent in terms of, you guys can always find me here every morning. You know what I mean? Even when I got sick, I was still here. You know what I mean? So in the mornings, you can 100% count on me being here for sure. Now in the evenings, it's more like me just trying to do it just to help you guys out, because I know not everyone can because of their work or whatever the case is, or the timing, right? But I've been able to pull through and be able to come in here in the evenings as well. So yeah, just gonna wait for a couple more people to join in here, guys. In the meantime, I'm just updating the video description as well. So thank you so much, guys, for your patience as well. And then we're gonna take a look at the markets, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Even if you guys are watching this, like, let's say after, let's say you guys are watching this after the live stream, doesn't matter, just comment below. I read all my comments, so I look forward to seeing you guys leave a comment there for me. Let's get it. Okay, so now I just gotta clear all of this. I'm just gonna wait for all of this to load here. Second here. Holy, there's so many. There's a lot. I don't know if this was a good idea here. Give me 1 second, guys. Hey, we've got Travis here. Let's go, bro. What's good? What we've gone on? Yeah, fresh cut. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. My broker took half my profit. Too much commission. I use Osprey FX. I've heard of Osprey before, but I haven't like personally checked them out. Damn, bro. Half your profits, eh? Jeez. Give me 1 sec, guys. I'm just like switching over all my tags on the video, but it's a little bit laggy, so I've got it. And I've got the new iMac too, so I'm like, this thing is like 4K, like everything, man. It's the latest iMac from Apple, but it's And we also have the fastest internet, so I don't understand. Sometimes it gets a little laggy. Maybe I need an actual like PC or something, you know? Maybe I need to leave my Apple products. Got the iPhone 14 there, but I just like everything Apple, to be honest. But that's just, bro. Let's go. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Yeah, I did shave the beard. Guys. Okay, so this is taking forever now, and I think this was a bad idea. So give me 1 second here, guys. And I'm also trying to do the live a little bit earlier. If you guys noticed. Yeah, trying to see if you know, it's better for some people. Hopefully this doesn't take forever. Didn't take much. There we go. Then we'll get started. In the meantime, guys, let me know, what are you guys looking at? What pairs you guys looking at? What trades you guys looking at? Let's go. Put the music back on here. There we go. Okay. Yeah, Euro USD is very volatile right now. To be completely honest, I like the way Euro odd is looking better than Euro USD, if that makes sense. I'm gonna show you in a second here. Give me 1 sec. At least it's kind of like not as, it's respecting structure, you know what I mean? It's pretty straightforward. We're kind of in a ranging consolidation area here, so I like how it's respecting structure, though, you know what I mean? This is the 4-hour time frame. We were looking at buy setups in the morning live stream we took this morning, and remember I told you guys to get in on this pullback. We got in on the pullback, and so price went in our favor, and that was a quick 60 pip gain, right? So we took that in the live stream. Okay, guys, it seems like this is maybe loading now. Finally, it's being a little bit laggy. Yo, Ventec, let's go, bro. Keep posting your analysis. I like how you look at the markets. It's pretty good, man. It's pretty good. Okay, so this is finally loading now. Give me 1 second here, guys. Once I get this all set up, then we can just focus on the charts. Okay, so this is this video right now. Okay, that's the past one. Sorry, guys. There's so many things behind the scenes that you guys don't see, that it's good to have it looked after, especially when you're doing a live stream. So you gotta make sure that everything's good. Okay. We should be good. I think we're good now. Okay, we've got that too. Okay. Oh, this is, oh shoot. Jeez. So many things I'm working on, guys, like you have no idea. Lots more stuff coming out, guys. Behind the scenes. Okay, should be good. All right, guys, so we're gonna start shortly here. Give me a few more seconds. Mac tech. I got the notifications in my Mac too. Let's go, let's go. Okay. Finishing up here, guys. All right, guys, we're gonna get started. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. Just gonna turn it down here, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. If you guys enjoyed these live streams, make sure you guys smash that like button for me, guys. I don't even know here. Okay, this is good. Okay. Thank you guys for joining in. Yes, we got Kunis. Let's go, Kunis. We got my sister-in-law there. One of my biggest supporters there. Okay. Shout out to Vivi. Let's go. So we're gonna continue on, guys. We're gonna get started with tonight's evening live stream. So what am I looking at? So obviously we had Euro odd go here in our favor. We were expecting some sort of a retracement, and it ended up going exactly as expected. But remember, as traders, that's not the whole point. The whole point isn't just about how price ends up going in our favor, but about focusing on the most high probable setups. That's our main focus, guys. We're not here to brag. We're not here to be like, this is because I said this was gonna happen. You know what I mean? It's not the case. We're gonna clear the charts completely, and we're gonna start fresh with everything. We're gonna do a top-down analysis of everything. So make sure you guys tune in, because we're gonna take a look at basically all the pairs we're looking at, and then we're gonna go from there. Okay, guys? So make sure you guys tune in, and let's get started. So we're gonna take a look at gold. I'm gonna clear the charts for gold. As you guys can see, we had a great sell opportunity on gold in today's live stream. We were able to cop around 52 pips, sorry, which went exactly as what we were expecting. So really happy with that turnout on gold. So let's kind of go on the daily and see, what are we looking for gold? What are we expecting on gold? So we know that on the daily time frame, gold was bearish. We knew that the overall sentiment was bearish. We were expecting a continuation to the downside. However, we need to also realize that price is starting to reject here and starting to fail or lose its bearish momentum. However, we always have to keep this in mind, guys. So yes, we are in a downwards trend. Okay, I'm not looking for buys yet for gold, but we do need to realize something. Because we are still trending to the downside on the higher time frame, we are still, overall bias is sells for gold. Even though many traders may look for buys, we need to realize that price could be just doing a small pullback and then create a new low. Overall, though, we may expect new highs for gold at this point. We could get price starting to shift. The overall direction, even here on the 4-hour time frame, is starting to shift for gold. We got a cross of the moving averages here. Not only that, the overall direction, we can see clearly we are creating new higher highs and higher lows. We could expect a nice retracement, and to be honest with you, I'm expecting gold to probably come back once more and retest this level of structure before a nice clean continuation to the upside. Where could I see gold come back up to? Potentially, we could see gold continue to go a tad bit higher, maybe around this level over here. So I'm just gonna draw this out here. So probably around this level of structure here. No, sorry, this level over here. I don't know what's going on there, guys. Sorry, sometimes my computer gets acts up. I'm like, come on, man, I just got this thing. Okay, so we got iMac problems, man. Apple. Okay, so that's kind of my overall expectation, right? So if we look at the higher time frame again, even on the 4-hour, what do we see? Well, we could see the similar situation pan out here, right? So if we kind of erase here and we go back, we backtrack over here, what is this looking like to you? This is looking very familiar, isn't it? It's looking very familiar to what's happening right now. Hold on. This is looking very familiar, right? Look, price is coming, right? And what are we looking at? We're maybe looking at the overall direction starting to shift for gold, right? But then if we let it play out, right? Give me one sec. If we let it play out here, give me 1 second, guys. Look what ended up happening, right? Price started going up, and then what happened? Price ended up melting to the downside, right? And actually broke below this level, this double kind of bottom area, right? So yeah, exactly. So if we look at this, history is kind of repeating itself potentially. And so that's what I'm saying. I may see gold maybe short term come back up. Short term, like right now, I'm expecting it to probably come back down to these lows over here before it maybe comes and does one more wick to the upside or one more push to the upside before it actually goes back down. That's what I'm looking at right now. I'll keep you guys in the loop, of course. I don't see, obviously gold's not going to do anything right now. It's just, there's no volume, nothing like that. I don't trade gold usually around this time anyways. So that's what I'm looking at there, guys, for gold. Okay, let's move on. Let's take a look at US30. Obviously US30, we had a perfect buy opportunity. Price ended up reaching our 0.618. Yes, it took like 2 days, but even if we would have, I remember on Monday we took this trade and it went pretty well, right? So we know that the overall direction of the market changed for us. We can see that we were trending to the downside and then we got a nice overall shift in the markets and now we're trending to the upside. For US30, what are we looking at right now? So let's, again, we're going to clear the chart, start fresh and kind of see where we're at. Okay. So for US30, we have been trending to the downside for quite some time. However, we do need to realize something. Price was holding this level of support over here. You can see that's a clear level of support where price respected in the past. Okay. And we've been able to hold this level for quite some time. Give me 1 second here, guys. I guess this, there we go. That makes more sense. We've been able to respect that level of structure, right? So what are we doing here, guys? This is a clear downwards trend, okay? To the downside, okay? And so we may expect US30 to probably, possibly pull back. I might see a little bit more of a push, because the daily's still looking bullish, right? We may see a push, a little bit more juice in it to the upside and probably start reacting at this level structure. Okay. So we might see something like this for US30. We may see something like this come up here to this level and then we may see a rejection, right? Then probably will come back. Price will come back down, retest this area here, and then maybe come back down lower. Could be a possibility or it could push back up. We don't know. Right, but overall direction or overall bias for US30, that's kind of my overall expectation. We have been in a downwards trend. We could see a nice push like that to the upside, potentially. I got Travis here. Gold looks like it will go down. Probably a fake out. Yeah. All right, guys. Odd USD. Let's take a look at Odd USD. Haven't seen Odd USD. Yeah, Odd USD. I'm expecting it anyways to probably come back up to these highs over here potentially. And we did get that range. Remember, we were ranging down here. Remember, I told you guys that. Then we got the breakout above. Now we're retesting. So let me clear the charts again. We're going to start fresh. Right? So even if we do the daily here, let's go down to the daily. Right? So I think Odd USD has a little bit more juice. Probably, I would say Odd USD. So we were ranging here. Right, this was a good range here. Yeah, that was a good range there. And then trying to do my analysis a little bit more slower for you guys to see kind of what I'm expecting, what I'm looking at. You know what I mean? I don't want to, I know I'm always like kind of explaining things, but I'd rather just kind of take it a little bit of a slower approach so you guys could kind of see what I'm looking at. Okay, if you have any questions, guys, let me know in the chat box. Don't be afraid, guys. Comment below. Okay, so I'm just gonna erase that there. So we know that that was consolidation. This is the daily. So on the daily, we know we are trending to the downside, right? It's very clear, guys. We are in a downwards trend, right? We've got the high, we've got the lower high, we've got the higher high. I mean, lower high, we've got the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, potentially lower low, right? We'll see what ends up happening. So I'm expecting AUD USD to continue to go higher. However, I want to see AUD USD kind of hold this level of support. We are on the 4-hour time frame, so we could see AUD USD potentially kind of shift down slowly and probably hold at this level over here, right? This kind of area here as a level of support before it continues to go higher. And we could target these highs over here for AUD USD. Okay, that's kind of what I'm looking at there, guys. Yeah, definitely bullish for sure. Definitely bullish short term. It's gonna be a nice pullback anyways, and we kind of broke above, so let's go guys. Guys, if you enjoy these live streams, smash that like button for me. Let's get it. Okay, I'm just going to overall bias bullish. Like I said, we need to hold this level of support. I'm going to put this here like this, and I'm gonna put here buy setups. It'll probably look like something like this, guys. Okay, not okay, let me just clear the charts. Let's start all over, guys. It's crazy. All right, so probably it could hold this level here, to be honest, because those are fake outs here. This right here, something like that. By the time price ranges, the 20 moving average will probably be over here. Then we'll see a rebound, and then we can expect a continuation to the upside. Let's go back up to the daily again. Definitely looking for buy setups. Look at this range. Let's see how much of a range we have. Let's say assume price comes back down here, we get a better entry, we hold that level of support, potentially come up to these highs. We may get price kind of, you know, a little bit of resistance there. Previous support, future resistance, probably around here. Could be another level, right? Maybe it won't go all the way up. Probably around here. Still 170 pips, guys. So regardless, there's lots of opportunities. US is big sells. Ventec. Let's take a look at GBP US. Let's go. Yeah, definitely looking bearish. Oh yeah, look at that daily. So we had that kind of like symmetrical triangle formation, that wedge pattern formation. We had that nice break above. However, after a strong push like this, we should expect some sort of a retracement, some sort of an exhaustion, guys, as you guys know. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. So we are getting, I wouldn't say bearish sentiment yet, but the bulls are losing their momentum. Probably London session, maybe. Yeah. Probably see like a red candle or something. The bulls are losing their momentum, that's for sure. Especially a strong move like that. Let's take a look at, let's go back to the daily. Yeah, we're also at a major level here too. Look at that. Some major resistance level here. Look at this over here. Literally right there. Right here as well. Just want to see like a bearish candle close here, and then we can you know, target some sells here. Or you could take it a little bit early. Yeah. Could as well. 1 hour. So you've got some sideways action here. So we're looking for a breakout. $35 pips. Even if we target these lows over here, that's 76 pips. You know, say for London session, it kind of pulls back here. By the time it's done ranging, this 20 will be around here. Could be a possibility as well, guys. I like. It's a quiet evening tonight. All right, guys. Starting to look a little bit bearish, even on the 4 hour here. I could see that 1 hour. Yeah. Said what? Let's say even this 1 hour start like closes bearish. That'd be a good entry there. GBP odd. Remember I told you guys sells below this level structure. We didn't get that push to the downside, right? So this is why we always wait for candle confirmations, guys, to avoid stuff like this. I gotta clear these pairs. I have way too many pairs here, guys. Euro USD, same thing with Euro USD, guys. I'm expecting a pullback or retracement for Euro USD, at least to this level structure down here. See how much of a range we've got. It's about 50 pips. It needs to take a little bit of a break. Nice little dip. Euro odd, same thing. Is kind of in a, it's in a range, right? So you know, we traded the bottom of the range. We got a nice 60 pip trade set up. But overall, guys, we look at the higher time frames. We're looking at maybe a shift in the market. We were trending to the upside, so now we're kind of in this ranging area. So what I want to see is a breakout, right? When we're in a range, what do we look for, guys? We look for a breakout to the downside or to the upside, right? So it really depends, you know what I mean? We have to always keep our eye out in the market, you know, We have to be vigilant, guys. We have to always look at the probabilities of the markets. Guys, if you guys are new, make sure you guys join in on our Telegram group. The link is in the video description below, so make sure you guys join in. I look forward to seeing you guys join our Telegram group. We have an amazing community there, guys, in our Telegram community there. Blessed Traders Academy, let's get it. Let's go. Give me here, guys. We've got Jordar here. Good morning from Bangladesh. Welcome, my man. Welcome. Welcome to the family. Okay, so Travis, let's go. We got Euro odds, sell setups. It might push up more. Even, let me just check here, bro. Let me check. Yeah, I think Euro odd could have a nice rejection at this level of structure. So if we look here at, like, let's say the 4 hours looking like it's rejecting that level there. So we could get a retest of this bottom level probably once more. So as long as we get bearish sentiment, let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour's looking bearish. So let's say this candle closes on the 1 hour bearish, then I'm looking for sells for Euro odd. Yeah. Now we just target the lows here. So I do something like this. So if it closes bearish, see it close bearish. There you go. Close bearish, guys. There you go. This is a perfect sell opportunity. It could come back up. So keep in mind, it could come back up. Usually it'll probably come back like halfway, create the wick, and then go down lower, but it could come back up on the lower time frame, create some sort of a double bottom, double top or something like that. And I would target these lows over here, which is 62 pips. So another good potential nice break retest strategy here. Any continuation to the downside, guys. Look at that live. Again, guys, we had an amazing trade setup here this morning. Look at this, guys. We're only risking 16 pips. Let's say no. Let's say we do 20 pip stop. There you go. Boom, just like that. Pretty cool, eh? So that's kind of, you know, a good potential trade setup I've got there on Euro odd, guys. You know, you always have to manage your risk, right? Like I said, it could come back up if we go in the lower time frames, right? It could be doing something like a, let's see, for example, like the 15-minute right now. What do we got here? To be honest, it's still kind of just, it's still kind of ranging a little bit, if that makes sense. So, but this could be a good potential sell setup on the higher time frame, right? But it could go higher as well. It might come try and touch the 50 moving average before it actually goes down lower. Could be a possibility, guys. We'll see what ends up happening. Either way, we'll let it do its thing. We caught 60 pips this morning here on that trade, and as well on gold we got 52 pips, guys. We caught over 100 pips. Actually, you know what, even in my VIP we killed it with our NZD USD trade as well. We caught some pips here in our VIP as well too, 42 pips. And then I think we took, I can't even remember because I've been trying to close off some pairs, guys. So there's like really good opportunities in the markets, but remember, guys, if you miss out, do not freak out, guys. The markets will always have opportunities, and as traders we always have to manage our risk, right? We don't want to be over trading, we don't want to be forcing trades, right? We always want to go into the markets as, you know what I mean, whatever the markets are telling us, then we get in, you know what I mean? If there's no opportunity, we stay out. Simple as that. You know what I mean? There was, during the day, there were some setups I was looking at and I was like, man, this looks good, this looks juicy, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, part of being a trader is also being disciplined, right? And that's kind of my whole motto as well too, guys, is, you know, consistency, discipline, purpose. You know what I mean? If you're consistent, you will see results. If you're disciplined, you will see results. And if you have a purpose, a driven purpose, what's your reasoning behind trading? You will learn to basically mix the two with consistency and discipline. You know what I mean? Because that's what's going to help you have your edge, right? You want to have a trading plan. You don't want to approach the markets without a plan in place. You know what I mean? When you have a nice plan or a trading plan or structure, you're able to take the markets at a more better approach, right? And never get into the markets with an expectation, guys. Okay? When you're going to take a trade, here's a tip, guys, and I want you guys to listen up here. You know what I mean? I'm not just here to show you guys, like trade opportunities or whatever. You guys, you can copy my trades and all that stuff. That's cool. But I also need you guys to learn and make sure your psychology is in place. And one of the biggest things as traders is we need to make sure that our psychology is in place and how we approach the markets, right? If you look at the markets with an expectation of always getting profits out of it, or always trades going in your favor, then you're going to be setting up yourself for failure, unfortunately, because there will be losses and it's just part of the game. You know what I mean? It's kind of like, you know, it's kind of hard to explain this, but like, say some people say, well, you know, you're gambling at this point or whatever, right? But the thing with this is that you have an edge, right? There's people that, for example, they play professional poker or whatever, right? They have an edge. They know that once they make their money, they're out. You know what I mean? So at any moment where you're like, hey man, I made $5,000, for example, right? And I want you guys to understand this, right? Because some people want to say, oh man, you're just gambling, bro. You're just this. You are not. You're not, man. Trust me, you are not. Trading is such a huge industry, guys. Like, there's trillions of dollars traded every single day. You know what I mean? We've got, man, like, there's just so much. Like, we've got, the market's massive. Let's just put it that way, right? So as a trader, we want to approach the markets with an open mind, right? Not expect anything, right? And then that way you're not disappointed if price goes against you. The problem is that you know, a newbie mistake or a rookie mistake is you go into the markets with that expectation of like, yeah, it's gonna go in my favor because, well, you know, it's going in my trading plan. Yeah, you can have your trading plan and all, right? Which is good, which is important, by the way. Crucial to always have your trading plan and follow your rules. But you also have to realize that even with your trading plan, even with your edge in the markets, you have to realize that sometimes not everything is going to go in your favor, right? And so once you accept that reality, you're going to see so much more success in your trading. You're going to see a change in your consistency, and that's what's going to help you level up in your trading. That's one of the many components that's going to help you level up in your trading, right? Because, you know, when you're always chasing the instant gratification, that instant moment of, yeah, man, I got this trade. Yeah, you know, like I went over 100 pips. Always. When you reach that level where you're like, you know what I mean? For example, me, I want to reach a level where I'm like 10 full lots, man. Boom, let's go. You know what I mean? The max where I've been comfortably is 2 full lots. You know, like for example, the gold trade we took today, you know, I shared it in the Telegram group. You know, it's $552 US. That's like almost $700 Canadian, right? Just like that. 52 pips, easy, done, call it a day, boom, done. Right? And for some, that's a huge, but for some that maybe they have even more money, it's like, meh, you know, that's nothing, man. That's peanuts. You know what I mean? I know there's traders that make, you know, 50K in a day, 100K in a day, right? But you guys know that I'm going to be transparent with you. That's how I built the foundation of my channel, is full on transparency. This is who I am, and I want to teach you guys how I approach the markets in the most simplified way possible, right? And then remember that if you trade differently, to not worry about it, guys. Everyone trades differently. Everyone has a different edge. Everyone looks at the markets differently. You know what I mean? So you have to understand that, and don't feel bad. You know what I mean? Because there's no right way to trade, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? I've been doing this for such a long time that I can tell you this with confidence. No one has the magic pill. No one has that. Everyone has a different edge. The thing is, do you like his edge? Do you like her edge? You know what I mean? So you guys have seen me trade. You guys have seen me take live trades with you guys. We've taken it multiple times. I'm here every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. And I do these surprise live streams like right now, right? You guys know the way I look at it. You guys know the way I look at the markets and all that type of stuff. So if you like the way I trade, then stick with it. You know what I mean? Guys, watch my previous live streams. Show up, ask questions. You know what I mean? Man, I wish when I first started, there wasn't this much, by the way. When I first started 6 years ago, there wasn't this many YouTubers. And to this day, if you actually search, there's not many YouTubers that do live streams like in trading. They do like, you know, stock trading, all that type of stuff, but I'm talking about more specifically currency trading, you know what I mean? Like Forex, right? So we're very few of us, like in the bigger pool, right? Obviously, like, I mean, like there's still like a couple, but what I'm saying is there's thousands of videos on YouTube, thousands, right? But there's only a few of us that come on live the same way I'm coming on live with you guys and sharing this knowledge that has taken me years to be able to get to, right? There's not many of us, right? So and again, right, I don't want you guys to think that, oh, it's because it's Pedro and, you know, no, because it's not me, man. It's just not me. It's not the type of thing. I'm not the type of guy to be like, yeah, man, you know what I mean? Like, that's not me. It's not my thing, you know. And I'm also not the type of flashy type of person, you know what I mean? Like, I've had my things, I've had my nice things, I've had my nice cars, I've had that, you know, like we do have nice things. We live pretty well, right? We're blessed, and that's the most important thing, you know what I mean? Having health is wealth, number one. Okay, as traders, focus on yourself, you know, give yourself time, meditation, prayer, you know what I mean? Be thankful. Being thankful instead of thinking negatively is going to affect how you look at the markets as well, guys. I'm teaching you gold right now, and trust me, this is much more important than just looking at the charts and looking at the technical aspects of it, right? Also, as a trader, in order to be successful, you need to also have your psychology, which is pretty much 80% of trading, guys. Let me freaking tell you guys that. It's pretty much 80% of your success rate in trading is what I'm teaching you guys right now, which is literally the psychological aspect of approaching the markets. How do you look at the markets? You know what I mean? Not thinking impulsively, you know what I mean? But also having confidence in your trade setups and not worrying about the outcome. Does that make sense? Not allowing the outcome affect your reality, right? If it's a loss, cool, move on to the next, right? If it's a win, perfect, awesome, enjoy the win, you know, always pay yourself, you know, withdraw some money, right? But anyways, we've got Seed of Life here, says please keep doing the good. This is so helpful. Hey man, subscribe, guys. All of the new members that are just joining in, we do got a couple new members joining in, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe below and hit that notification bell and hit all notifications, guys, so you get notified every single time I'm live. I am live in the mornings, but I do these surprise live streams every so often. So the evening live streams, like right now, you won't know unless you're already part of the family and subscribed. So I look forward to seeing you guys join the family. But also, guys, if you enjoy these live streams, maybe if you enjoy these, like, you know, kind of talking right now, you know what I mean? If you enjoy this, let me know in the chat box below. Smash that like button for me, you know what I mean? Give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, guys. It does support the channel, and it helps me keep creating this type of content, you know what I mean? So, but you know, I always say my story. I tell you guys my story about my weight loss journey, and the fact, obviously, I did gain a little bit more weight back, right? But I'm getting back into it, and it was that consistency where I was like, you know what, I'm not in my window. I did intermittent fasting, which was my plan. And if you compare that with trading and you say, okay, this is my trading plan, this is what's going to help me be successful, as long as I stick with my trading plan, it's the same thing with weight loss. If you stick with your weight loss plan and you say, I'm going to stick with this is what I'm going to stick with. But listen closely, guys, this is straight fire, okay? But I'm not going to go and look for the magic pill. That's the problem, right? A lot of traders, they're jumping and jumping and jumping and jumping. The amount of time and thousands of dollars I spent until I finally found my edge took a while. I'll be honest, and I could have saved a lot more money and just focused on one certain person, whoever it was, and I've been pretty open about it, to then level up on my trading. You know what I mean? Okay, reading the comments here. Travis Fire, yeah, do you go to the gym? Yes, I used to go heavy on the gym, bro. I don't go on the gym as much anymore, but I do have my Echelon. So it's like the other one as the Peloton bike. Yeah. So I do hit that and intermittent fasting, but that helped me a lot. And you know what? Let me tell you, when you do this type of weight loss stuff and focusing on meditation, giving yourself prayer, you know what I mean? I'm not saying yoga or that type of stuff, but like the spirituality, if you know, you guys know my background's Christian. I'm not a religious person, but I do have my faith. You know what I mean? I do believe in God, and you know, he's uniquely created each and every one of you guys. You know what I mean? and you guys have, each of you have perfect talent. You guys are smart human beings that have so much talents. Each and every one of you are talented in each different way. Maybe you guys are going to be a swing trader. Maybe you're going to be a scalper. You never know. You know what I mean? So, but what I'm saying is, long story short, is being able to do what I did, and I lost 40 pounds. I gained a little bit more back, but I'm gonna get back down to my goal of 200. I got married in July 23rd, and I was able to reach my goal of 209. I was aiming for 200 pounds, but it is what it is. So that's the goal. I'm going to get back into it, which I already am. I have my black tea. I have my water. You guys will notice I'm always switching between the two. I have my water, then I have my black tea. I have my water, I have my black tea. And the reason why I switch between the two is because it helps me stay disciplined. It suppresses my hunger, all that type of stuff, right? But anyways, yeah, home gym is good. Yes, I do have my home gym, bro. Maybe I'll show you guys my setup. I'll show you guys my setup because I got like a couple weights. I've got the bands, I've got the bike. But yeah, fasting is amazing. My churches normally have it. I go to church. That's awesome, Travis, man. That's amazing, bro. That's amazing. That's awesome. Yeah, man. Going to church is great. Like I said, it's having that connection, that relationship with your creator, you know what I mean, with God is a blessing, in itself. So but yeah, so anyways, apart from that, making sure your psychology is in place is important, guys. Okay, that's what you're gonna see success in your trading, trust me. So overall, I'm expecting for NZD USD, we're expecting some sort of a pullback, guys. Potentially, finally, some sort of a pullback because we come to the highs of this kind of upwards channel. So we gotta see what ends up happening here, guys, but I'm expecting some sort of a retracement. 1 hour's looking bearish, the 4 hours looking very bearish. So let me clear the charts now. The bulls have pushed price as much as they could, but you can see that these wick rejections are indicating otherwise. So I'm expecting some sort of a retracement at least for NZD USD. If we look over here to the left hand side as well, we can see that this is a level of support. Okay, we can see that price is respecting that level of support as a future level of resistance. Obviously it's not much that we're looking at. We'd like to see a more stronger level of resistance. However, this is where we may expect price to react, and we are seeing that shift of the market, right? We're seeing that shift already. So if we look at the 1 hour, we're already starting to look at bearish price action. However, it's still looking a little bit like it's consolidating. If we get a break of this level structure, so this is a 30-minute time frame. If we get a break, let me take off these moving averages, guys, just to get a little bit more clarity. So there we go. This is what I'm talking about. This is a 30-minute time frame, guys. If we get a nice break, we can expect a pullback. So what we want to see is a break below this level structure. So a nice clean break, probably come down to these lows here. All right, wait for the retest. On this retest, if we get a nice clean rejection and price is rejecting this level structure, we can then expect sells. Okay, something like this. This is kind of what I want to see, right? So this is the area that is important for price to break and also come back and retest. And then if we get that, so I'm going to put here, sell setup below this level structure, and this is the 30-minute time frame. So target these lows. So this would be like TP1 here and TP2 down here, right? And we go back down to the higher time frames. We could target, this would be kind of like TP2 down here. Okay. And then if we go back down to the 30-minute, okay, we can set our sell stop, oh my gosh, set our targets. Oh my gosh, man, set our targets. I would probably put like a 20 pip stop. Yeah, but 20 pip stop. TP1 at this point would be around here, which is not that much. It's 30 pips. Not the most ideal risk reward ratio, but we would be targeting this level over here, which is about 60 pips. Right? 60 pips, we're only risking 20 pips. We got an overall almost 2.9 risk reward ratio. Right? Because what happens is if we look at sells right now, what people don't realize is they see, yes, the bearish price action, but you need to realize something, right? What you need to realize is price could come down, but it will fail to break below this level. So if it fails to break below this level structure that we have highlighted here, this is just a range. That's what it becomes, right? And so at that point, you're just going to be stuck bouncing between 20 pips back and forth, 20 pips back and forth, 20 pips back and forth. And you're going to go crazy. You're going to go nuts. You're going to be like, oh my gosh, man, like I'm going nuts. This thing is just not doing anything. You know what I mean? So yeah, that is kind of what I'm expecting there. Travis, bro, what I've learned for trading so far is just to be patient. Yes, 100%. 100%, bro. The problem is a lot of traders that are new, or people that are new into trading, they get in, they think it's something that can get you rich quick. And yes, you can multiply your, you know what I mean? You can double your account and, you know what I mean? Whatever. You can make a lot of money in a shorter period of time, but it's definitely not getting rich quick. It's not that easy. It's not as easy as people think it is, right? It definitely requires a lot of dedication, a lot of patience. And then once you have that patience with your edge, right, and you mix that together and you have this solidified trading plan, it just becomes like magic. The thing just, and so that's when you start seeing your winning ratio is much higher, and you know, your losses, you keep your losses nice and short, and that's how you're able to succeed. And you know, that's how you're able to grow your account little by little, and sooner or later you're scaling up, right? So that's the nice thing about trading, right? But the thing is, people come in with the wrong mentality. You know, they come in, they think they can flip a $50 account into 5,000, you know what I mean, in 2 days. You know, you got to be realistic, guys. You know what I mean? Maybe you could flip that $50 into 300 in maybe a week, right? But even then, you'd have to be like, you know, trading at a much higher risk, right? So guys, if you enjoy these live streams, make sure you guys smash that like button for me, guys. We're at 12 likes. Can we get it to 15? Let's go, guys. If you enjoy these live streams, make sure you guys give me a nice thumbs up, guys. Support your boy. And let me know also where you guys are joining us from. I do see some new members joining in, guys, so welcome. So yeah, that's kind of my overall expectation there for NZD USD. We had an amazing buy setup today, which was around here, but I did clear the charts. I like cleaning the charts because that way it's easier for me to explain everything, you know, and you guys could see it much better. So let's take a look at Euro GBP. What's going on with Euro GBP? We were looking at a nice clean downwards trend. It seems though we are at this level of support. This is a major level of support. We can see it in the past, right? Its price has respected this level of structure multiple times in the past. It is a significant level of structure. Price did go up and then it pulled back. On the daily though, it seems like it's like this candle, we may see some sort of a support failing to break below and create a new lower low at this point. So we may see some sort of a breakout potential. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Let's see what's going on. We may see a breakout, guys, possibly for Euro GBP. Okay, we do need to keep this in mind. Could be a breakout, guys, to the upside potentially. Okay, or to the downside. You never know. We may see something like this where short term it might come up and then push back down, right? Could be a possibility as well. Okay, so we'll see what ends up happening there as well for Euro GBP. I'll keep you guys in the loop, but at least in the 4 hour time frame, we may expect a potential push to the upside. Short term, we may see a breakout to the upside potentially. We'll see. $30-minute. Yeah. It's not the cleanest chart, but this candle closes bullish. Probably just target the highs here at this point, maybe. but it's not my ideal setup, guys. I'll be honest with you. It's not the type of trade I'd take. Yeah. Because we've got resistance here too, right? We've got lots of resistance here, right? So over here, right? So it's just not really what I like to see. Welcome, 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 guys. We're at 13 likes. Let's get it to 15, guys. Can we get it to 15 likes? Let's get it. Yeah. There's lots. It's just very choppy. Like this is just a range. This is what I typically call a range. Just choppy. Not even a range. It's just choppiness at this point. But we know on the hard time frame we are kind of at that level of support. I do have my alerts set up as well too, and it seems like we are failing to create a new lower low at this given time. So we'll see what ends up happening. But again, short term, I may expect it to come back up once more, probably retest that downwards trend line for a continuation, actually to the upside potentially. But if we get bearish break and we break this level structure, that's why I have my alert there, then we're looking for sells, right? So we'll see what ends up happening there, guys. USD JPY, we got that push to the downside, you know, kind of what we were expecting anyways. This was in today's live stream as well too. 89 pips, man, and it actually went down lower. So that went, if we would have just kept it as is, we'd be up around 136 pips. But in the live stream I told you guys, like, you know, I'm kind of targeting 0.618, but I told you guys probably to start taking profits around here, which either way was still 83 pips, guys. It was kind of around here. Yeah. This was a nice trade setup in this morning's live stream. Let's go, guys. We've got speed of life, yes. Let's go from Dubai. Let's get it. Benteg, GBP, US heading down as fast rate. Nice, bro. Yes, we got Tom Brooks. Let's go, bro. Let's go. From West Australia. Wet Australia, my bad. I thought I said West for a sec. Okay, so yeah, so that was what I was looking at there. So we'll see. Let's take a look at GBP US. Yeah, let's follow up and see what's going on. Nice. Look at that. Broke out of that range. Now we're targeting these lows over here. Bam. Look at that. $76 pips. Look at that, team. Nice clean setup. GJ, man. It's too choppy here. Way too choppy. All right, guys, welcome to all our new members. We got a couple new members just joining in, guys. Appreciate you guys very much. Let's go. Take a look at AUD/USD. AUD/USD, as long as it holds this level of support, I'm expecting some sort of a potential slight retracement to this level of structure and a continuation to the upside for AUD/USD. You know, the overall sentiment has shifted. We were ranging over here for quite some time. We got a break, nice clean break and retest, and we can expect a nice clean continuation to the upside for Australian US. The Australian dollar is getting stronger, guys. Let's go. Overall, higher time frames, we are still in a downwards trend, so we do have to just be mindful of that, guys. But we are also at a level of support. So let's get it. just look at this. Even if we target, like, let's say this is our downwards trend line over here. So even if we target like the tip of it, like just over here, that's still 100, and if it wicks above a little bit, that's still 172 pip range, right? So we're expecting a pullback, right? As long as price holds this level of support, we can start looking for a continuation of buys, guys. It's very simple, very straightforward, right? And it's just like a nice clean setup that we've got there set up for odd USD. Let's get it, guys. Let's go. We got Joseph Mama fake out alert. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, that's also another thing too. We do have to keep that in mind. It could be a fake out as well too. If we look here, this is another level of structure here too, right? So what are we seeing here? Price could come up, right? And again, market, even if we get in here on this pullback, let's say we look for buys, I'd probably be taking profits at this level anyways over here, right? Yeah, because even here, if we look at here, this is the 4-hour time frame, the 1 hour, right? So let's say price comes back down, we're able to hold this level of support down over here, right? Look at the range. So if we were to look for buys here, we're talking about, you know, hold on a sec, talking about, even if we take it a little bit earlier, 60 pips, right? So take your pips and run, you know what I mean? Could come back down also, and we could get on the pullback as well too. So let's say we target just over here, that's still 44 pips, and maybe we just risk 20, right? Could be a possibility. Lots of great opportunities, but yes, we also have to look at the bigger picture here. We, like I said, we are in a downwards trend, right? So looking at the bigger picture, we do also have this resistance area here, right? So something to keep in mind, guys. Ventec, your GPY. Yeah, bro, there's a lot of pairs that are just ranging right now, unfortunately. Let's take a look at your GPY. Actually, I'm kind of curious too, bro. Yeah, we were expecting it to continue to, it pulled back, but this is a complete mess, man. What is this? What is this? No, man. This is how you stay out of the markets. You want to see an example of how to stay out of the markets? That's how you stay out of the markets when you see something like that. Stay away, loud and clear, guys. All right, guys, just reading the comments here. Give me 1 second here. Good morning, bro. Ben. Good morning, man. It's actually nighttime here, bro. Not morning, nighttime here in Canada. So True North is nice and dark right now. You know, I'm used to seeing my nice blue skies view, but it's nice and dark right now. It's 10:32 p.m. right now in Canada. Well, actually, we're pretty big, so on the east coast of Canada, because I think it's still earlier in the west coast, like Vancouver and Alberta. It's a little bit early there still, so they're, I think, 3-4 hours behind, similar to Seattle. Okay, so we're gonna take a look here. MK was good. MK, hi, did you cut the EU move today? No, we caught a couple other moves though. NZD USD, we took 42 pips. Gold, we took 52 pips. Gold, I made like $552 US, so that's like $700 Canadian, $700-800 Canadian. What else? We took a couple other pairs, guys. Trades. Anyways, we had a good day today. Anyways, we had a really good day today. So right now, honestly, the only reason why I'm on here is just for you guys. I'm just literally here just to, you know, share some time with you guys and be able to see what the markets are offering, guys. You know what I mean? If I can help you guys in any way possible, I will. So yeah, Let me just read through here. We've got a couple more other comments here. I think we had, let's see, Joseph. Joseph, do you trade indices too, or just currency pairs? No, I do too, bro. I do trade indices as well. Last week I had odd USD trade. I closed 3 days ago, caught 210 pips. Nice, bro. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go, Tom. Let's go. Gold. Yeah, let's take a look. Gold, like I mentioned earlier, guys, with gold, overall sentiment is a pullback. Like that's why I drew this green line again here, because we just cleared it from the beginning of this live stream again, just to clean up the charts. We are getting that pullback that we wanted, which is nice on gold. I think beginning of the live stream, look at that. That's 45 pips, man. We could have caught that too. 95 pips to the downside. Expecting it to come down to this level of structure here. I wouldn't get in now though at this point. It is what it is, guys. I'm expecting gold to come up at least to these highs over here. So this level over here of structure. So one more pullback, one more push to these highs, and then we may see price continue to grow lower. Could be a possibility. That's kind of what I'm expecting for gold, because if we look at the higher time frames, guys, we are looking at a bearish downwards trend. So it's a nice clean downwards trend line, right? We have been respecting price in the past, but if you see here in the past here, look at this. What happened here? Price stalled as well too. What? We were failing to create what? A higher low or a lower high, right? And then so we were failing to create a new lower low. But what did we get? Obviously we got price come back up here. It looked like it was just, you know, holding this level of support, similar to what's happening here. We're holding this level of support, price is coming back up. But again, if we fail to break above this level of structure, that's what I'm saying. I could see it maybe come back up to this high here, but if we break above this level of structure, then that starts breaking this trend line. And it's not about the trend line I'm talking about here, but it's about the level of support and resistance here, these major levels of structure that will indicate that, hey, you know what, maybe we are failing to break below, and we are failing to create a new lower low. But my overall expectation is a continuation to the downside. Short-term buys, I do expect gold to continue to push a little bit higher, probably to the level of, I'd say, around 1681 200 level, around that area, and then see it melt, right? Could be a possibility. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys in the loop either way, for gold and kind of what we can expect. All right, guys, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, the markets are very active, Tom. Yeah, we've got some nice moves coming along, guys. We're at 17 likes. Let's get it to 20. Let's go. Also, guys, welcome to all the new members, guys. Welcome. I know we do have a couple new members here. We've got Joseph as well. Joseph, welcome to the family, guys. Guys, I will be right back. Give me 2 seconds. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. Thanks so much for waiting, guys. All right. Okay. All right, guys. So we got a couple new family members as well, guys. So welcome to all the new family members that just joined in today. Welcome to the family, guys. Don't forget to hit the little notification so you get notified every single time we live. Let's get it. We're at 18 likes. Let's go. Gold, we're getting a nice retracement there. Let's take a look at GBP US as well. GBP US, we are kind of at a turning point, so we could expect some sort of a retracement after a strong push like that. I'm expecting price to pull back, but always manage your risk, guys. Okay, do not overtrade, please. All right, we were kind of stalling out, ranging. All right, guys. What are we looking at? Okay, so let's try and see what kind of setups we can expect for tomorrow, or kind of what we can look at, guys. Okay, so so gold, what are we looking at for gold? Gold is going in our favor. So at this point, even in the live stream, like right now at the beginning of the live stream, I told you guys we were looking at a pullback. We got the pullback. If you would have got in anyways, we'd be currently up 47 pips. Bam, that would have been another $470 I would have made, but it is what it is, guys. My whole objective is to teach you guys as much as I can, and you know, if you guys catch any sort of value in these live streams, you know what I mean, that means the world to me. So just the fact that you guys are able to learn and kind of see how we look at the markets, how we're able to approach the markets, is really crucial. And so yeah, anyways, we were able to profit immensely off gold. What I want to see is gold hold this level of support. So that's kind of the next thing. We'll see how London session, what ends up happening. Price could come back down here to these lows, or could range, or probably like do something like this where it kind of comes down, ranges for a bit, see how it's doing like this sideways thing here in the past. And then we may see kind of price do something like this sideways, comes down sideways, and then it pushes back up. Like I said, we may see one more push to the upside, one more, before we you know, we may see a continuation or a break to the downside, right? It's like I said, we're kind of at this level where I see price has failed to break below currently. However, we are also looking at a level here, which is a level of resistance as well too, right? So we may see just one more push to the upside before we continue to go down further, because also we did break a tad bit above this level of support over here, which was a level as well too, but we broke above it, which is where we're kind of holding this level of support here, right? So that to me is an indication that we're just getting the retest, and we may expect one more push to the upside. And then if we get price come up to this level structure, and let's say price comes to this level structure and it breaks above, then that completely changes my overall bias on gold. And it could be a fake out too, so we do have to keep that in mind. But if we get a break above, strong momentum push above, I'm not saying this could happen tomorrow, but this could happen maybe even like, let's say we come to these highs, maybe Friday, boom, strong push, we wait for the retest, and then yes, maybe that could be a change of direction in the markets as well too. We could come up to this level structure, reject it, start shifting back down, and then we could be shifting into a ranging market. Could be a possibility as well too, right? So there's lots of ways. Remember, the market's all about probabilities, and we just have to have that edge in the market, guys, and you know, trust our plan and understand that you know, our plan's gonna do us well, you know what I mean, at that point, you know what I mean? But also understand that even if it doesn't go in our favor, we managed our risk and we didn't lose as much, right? So we always manage our risk, and we will always be not always, but we'll be consistently profitable. And yeah, that's kind of the whole thing as what I'm seeing with gold, right? Right now, overall direction, we may see one more push to the highs before we come back down. Because short term, yeah, like short term wise, we know that it's gonna come up. Like it's still, like, you can see that the overall direction, we were trending to the downside, we broke above, and now we got the strong push. The bias is obviously short term bias at this point for gold, but when we come to this level of resistance here, we may expect gold to react at this level of structure, and you know what I mean. So that's just something that we do have to keep in mind. Okay, let's take a look at NAS 100. I know we were looking at similar setups with US 30. We were looking at buys too. So this is the 4-hour time frame. Let's see here. So we were in this downwards trend. There was a nice shift in the market. Now we are in an upwards trend. What are we looking at though? It's a major level structure there. Another level structure here. Okay. Bentech, nice. GBP US, yeah. Let me go back here. That's GBP US. Let's see. We got a retracement here. Yeah, we got a nice retracement here. I would take in the stop, probably do like a 25 pip stop. Pretty good entry here, guys, to be honest. If you missed out on this would be a good entry here, because we got that strong momentum push. We broke below this level low here, so now it's retesting it right now. If you look on the 15-minute, right, we broke below this previous low, right, and now we created a new lower low. So I would probably see, even if you were to get in here, right, set your stops probably around here. That's about a 20 pip stop, right? And then I would target these lows here for GU, something like that. Welcome to all of our new members, our new family members, guys. Welcome to the family. Let's go, guys. If you have any questions, guys, yes, we're at 19 likes. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Appreciate the love, guys. Appreciate the support. If you guys are new to the channel, guys, make sure you guys join the family, guys. We are live every single day, guys. You know, try to provide as much value as we can. Yes, we're already in profits, Vantech. Let's get it, bro. Yeah, that was a nice pullback there. Price is going pretty well. Let's go. Yes, let's go, Laura. Let's go. What's good, Cunis? Let's go. We got the sister-in-law as well, guys. We got 20 likes. Let's get it, guys. Let's go. We got Technical Sunlight from India. What's going on, my man? Welcome, guys. All the new members, guys, that are just joining in, maybe this is your first time. Let me know where you guys are from. Let me know in the chat box below. I know we got people from all over the world. We got people from Greece, Spain, Kenya, India. We've got people from all over the place, guys. Australia, you know, the States. Let me know where you guys are joining us from. Let's go. Let's go. MK, you gonna trade London today? I don't know, bro. Should I? I don't know. Maybe. Depends. I know, man. Like London, there's so many good moves, man. There's so many good moves in London session, man. It just messes up my sleep schedule. You know, here in Canada, like right now it's 10:52. Like London Open, 2 o'clock, 2, 3 o'clock. Like it's tough, man. It really is. It really messes up the next day for me. But yeah, I've been thinking of just putting the alarm and just kind of just wake up and then look at the markets. But then I'm like, I know that like if I put the alarm, then I can't do the live stream sometimes in the evenings for you guys, and then I also have to do the live stream in the morning at 7 a.m. So that's the only thing, is I also have to do the live stream in the because I'm always here every day, right, at 7 a.m. So if I do the London, I can't do the New York, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? So it'd have to be something where maybe I would do something where it's like once a week or twice a week. Maybe once a week to start off. I'll trade a London session with you guys. And then we do just like our normal New York sessions, right? Could be a possibility, guys. We could do something like that. Let me know if you guys want me to do that too. Actually, you know what? Let's do a poll, guys. Let's do a poll here, guys. I'm gonna do a quick poll while we continue to be in profits here with GU. So we're gonna put here, what is your preferred session? I'm gonna put London, New York, Asian, Tokyo, welcome to all of our new members. Let's go. Guys, make sure you also join our Telegram group. We have an amazing community, guys. I can't stress this enough. We have an amazing community of traders, guys, in our Blessed Traders Academy. You can click the link below in the video description. You'll see it. It's a free. It'll say free Telegram group. Make sure you guys join in, guys. Like a lot of my subscribers there, and a lot of the family members, because we're all one big family here, guys. A lot of the family members there actually share their ideas and analysis, and a good chunk of the times you're gonna have your answers. You'll find the answers to your questions in that community, right? So as more and more people post, like, you know what I mean, they're like, oh, what am I looking at, whatever the case is, you guys can comment and share with each other there in that group, which is amazing, guys. So I look forward to seeing you guys join in there. I am also active on there as well. So yeah, and I'm also live every single day, guys, in the mornings. Welcome. All right, guys, we're gonna do the poll soon. So what I'll do is London Open, New York Open, Asian session / Sydney session, and then we'll do something called pre-New York. Okay, pre-New York session, which will be a little bit earlier, around like I'd say probably 6 a.m. Let's do like 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then we'll do. So I'll put here we'll put 6 a.m. Okay, just so you guys know, 6 a.m. And I'll put EST, and then it's not letting me put more. Okay, whatever. So we'll do that. We'll just do New York Open there. That's good enough. We'll do that. It's not letting me ask more. All right, guys. Polls are set. You guys let me know, which session do you prefer trading? What your preferred session is. Let's go. We're off to the polls, guys. I want to see those results. Let's get it. Hey, we've got King here. Please, Euro USD. Yeah, man, we'll check Euro USD. I think Euro USD, we're already looking at a pullback. Remember I told you guys we were looking at a pullback for Euro USD? So that's really what I'm looking at, guys. To be honest, we've been pushing pretty strong with Euro USD to the upside, but I'm expecting some sort of a retracement at this point. Basically a retest, because we kind of broke above this level here. There's a lot of support. You can see, look, we got support, resistance, right? A little bit of resistance. We broke out of the channel, guys, with a strong momentum push. So now I'm expecting some sort of a retracement. I wouldn't say, maybe not down to this level, but at least down to these lows over here, or potentially to this level down here. At least probably this level here, depending on what happens here. Let me zoom in a little bit here so you guys can see what I'm saying. Right, so we after a strong push and break above out of this downwards channel, that, let me tell you, here on the higher time frames on the daily, was quite significant. Look at this downwards channel, right? Pretty significant, guys. Right, look at right, so that's a strong indication that that, you know, it's quite significant. So if we got a break above, then that's an indication that the direction of the market is starting to shift. But after a strong push like this, we may expect a pullback, okay, to at least, I would say, this level of support, which, if we look back to the left hand side, price has respected this level in the past multiple times. So we could see, you know, support, resistance, and resistance here as well. So I'm expecting Euro USD to have a nice clean retracement, at least to this level structure, okay? And again, like I said, I was already looking at how much of a range we have. We're looking at about 70, I would say 76, 75 pips, okay? 75 pip range, even 80. We'll leave it as is there. That's kind of what I'm looking at there, guys, for Euro USD, okay? Guys, we're at 24 likes. We're so close to 25. Let's get it to 30, guys. Can we get it to 30 likes? Let's go. Got Ventec, GBP, USD closed at a weak candle. Should continue to go down to the downside. Yeah. Yeah. We got technical sunlight. Yeah. Yeah. From India. And from Bengali. Nice, man. Nice. Let's see. What's these results looking like? Okay, so it's a tie right now, guys, between London session and New York. Let's go, guys. Let's get these votes up. We got 5 votes so far in the last 3 minutes. Let's see, guys. Who's going to win? New York Open or London Open? What are we looking at, guys? Which trading session do you guys prefer, guys? Make sure you guys vote. I want to see your votes, guys. All the new members that are just joining in, guys, welcome to the family. Welcome to La Familia. And I'd like to see you guys vote as well too. Let's go, guys. Let's get it. We've got MKGU's untradeable. Yeah, you know what? I haven't even seen it here right now, but yeah. You know, it's a strong momentum. I'm expecting some sort of a push back down, to be honest. Need to see it go back down. As long as it's able to respect this level of structure, we should be good for price to come back down. We'll see. It needs to respect this level here. If it disrespects and we start seeing GU going up higher, then that's why I have my stop nice and tight. It's 20 pips. Nice and tight. All right, guys, how these polls looking? What's going on? What's going on? Okay, New York is winning so far, guys. New York. Oh, we got Asian and Sydney tied with New York. Oh, damn. This is getting heated, guys. All right, guys, we got more people joining in, guys. We got currently 19 people live right now. Let's go. Let's vote. Let's vote in the chat box below. If you're just joining, guys, or you're new to the family, make sure you guys subscribe, of course. It's absolutely free to join. And guys, I'm always here every single day providing you with absolute value, guys. I'm always giving you guys free value, and I'm here to help you guys at each and every step of the way, guys. Like you guys saw, man, like if you go back to my previous live streams, literally I was dead sick. I was so cold. I had a cold. You guys remember? You guys could probably go watch the videos. I was like halfway falling asleep, half dead, half asleep, half alive, and I was still in the live streams, guys, because I don't know. I told you guys I'd be here, and you know what I mean? I know you guys told me to get some rest and stuff, but it's like I like doing what I do. I like trading, man. I love looking at the charts. To me, it's an art, man. It's an art. It becomes a language. And I remember, like I said, I told the wife, I said years ago, when we first started, I told the wife, I said, listen, I don't know how to trade right now. I don't understand this stuff, but one day I'm gonna understand it. And it's like a language, you know what I mean? I want to understand this language one day, you know what I mean? So you know, being able to have clarity in the markets has been such a blessing in itself, guys. Like, you know what I mean? Like, for example, even like when we first started in Bitcoin, you know, and I started to learn how to look at the markets, you know, technical analysis, how to look at basic market structure, you know, major key levels, basically what I teach you guys, you know what I mean? That's really when my trading started to kind of level up, you know what I mean? And not only that, that's really when I said, hey, this is a perfect buy opportunity. And then even when we sold Bitcoin, which was around like 47,000, I think we sold originally Bitcoin when Bitcoin peaked at around, it would reach around 60, I think it was 60,000. We didn't sell at the top because obviously our expectation was Bitcoin was probably going to reach 100K. That's originally what I thought. Unfortunately, you know, it not in this bull run. But we took profits once I started seeing price starting to pull back. You know, I told the wife, I said, babe, we should probably start taking our profits, right? Start selling it. And we did, which was good. It was around 55. We started taking some profits, and then 47 was the ultimate. Okay, we're going to sell it. And, you know, a portion of that went to our home as well, too. We paid off, the wife paid off her vehicle. You know, she had her Mercedes, paid it off, done, called it a day, right? Right. So, and part of that also helped with the house as well. And so yeah, anyways, you know what I mean? So again, what was it? You know, the skill set of being able to see how the markets move, you know, understanding that type of stuff. Guys, we're at 10 votes right now, guys. Holy crap. Asian and Sydney is winning. What the heck happened to London, guys? What's going on with London? What happened to New York? Hey, I have no problem with Asian session or Sydney. I'm good. You know, I like Sydney. You know, I like Australia. Like I said, I had 2 friends that lived in Australia. It's beautiful out there. But What's going on? What's going on with New York? What's going on with London, guys? All right, guys, let's get those votes in. Let's get those votes in. Guys, if you're just joining in, I do see some new people just joining in, guys. Make sure you guys smash that like button for me. And also make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell. But also, can we push London? What happened with London, guys? I thought you guys like London session. New York is inching a little bit more right now. So far, Asian and Sydney session is winning. We're at 50%. New York 33% and London 17%. What's going on? What's going on, guys? Mastery buy, let's go, bro. We got those fire emojis, you know what's good. MK, I meant GJ. Yes, GJ, bro. You know, I don't know, I'm kind of pissed off with GJ right now because GJ is brutal, man. I was looking at GJ respecting this level structure here, and it completely wicked me out here and took me on at my stop loss. It is what it is, man. It's part of trading. And I know I could have caught quick. It went up here, so our entry was nice and low here, and I think it was like 20 pips if I'm not wrong. Let's see how much of a range it was this morning. You can literally go back and watch the video. You'll see we took it live too. Either way, we had two great trade, actually three. Yeah, three perfect setups that we had that went exactly as predicted in today's morning live stream. But let's see here. So my entry was lower here. It was on the low end here. So that, yeah, it was 20 pips. I don't know why it's doing that, guys. Anyways, it was 20 pips. It wasn't this low. It was a little bit higher. It was like around there. 20 pips. Yeah, exactly. 20 pips. You guys could see it. I wasn't on the wick, but we just got in around the area here. That candle right there. Just below that candle. But again, I was like, you know what? Like, we're in New York session, like New York Open. Like, I could see it going higher, right? Because even if we go on the higher time frame, like the 4 hour, right? Again, I've been saying this for weeks. We were in a range and we broke above the range. Look at this. Price for GJ was ranging for the longest time, guys. And we got a nice break above, but also we got price break below, which, you know, kind of was, you know, for some like a fake out. But then I said, no, if we're able to reject this level structure here, excuse me, the bulls are taking control. Look at these wick rejections, right? So it's failing to break below, failing to come back down. Because if it were to be a fake out, if you look and realize, guys, I want you guys to analyze something here, okay? If we take a look closely here, for example, at GJ, do you see when price fakes out? Look what it does. It almost right away comes back down, comes back into that range or whatever it does, right? Same here, right? Price came down and then boom, it came back right away. Price came up here, but then it ranged for a while and then it finally broke below and then it came back up. So overall expectation is potential continuation to the upside. Like there's not much else we can expect, right? But at this point, it's just like GJ does not want to just back into this sideways price action that it's annoying. You know what I mean? We ranged here, then we broke below, faked out to the downside. And then right now it was a nice clean structure and then we broke below, right? We got wicked out. It is what it is. You move on to the next. You don't let that affect you guys. You know what I mean? So we're getting that pullback there. What's going on with GU? Yeah, we'll see what ends up happening anyways, guys. So we just gotta wait it out. The waiting game, guys. You know, you set and forget. Simple. Set and forget. That's how we do it, guys. We're at 27 likes, guys. Can we get it to 30? Can we get it to 30? Let's go. Okay, guys. So we're at 54% for Asian and Sydney session. New York 31. London's at 15. So it seems like people just okay. So you know, it's you guys take the spin on this. You know what I mean? So we'll see. Seems like Asian and Sydney session's pretty good, 54%. So should I do more of these live streams around this time? Do you guys prefer nighttime as well too? I don't mind, guys, whatever. Right now I'm doing both, you know, to be able to help, you know, because I know a lot of people can't come in the morning sometimes, right? Master, bro, I think most of your viewers are from Asia. Yeah, I know. I think so too. So that's why it kind of goes correlate, because I notice I do get a good chunk of people that come in the nighttime as well. So could be a good possibility that's much better. Okay, so we got Ventec here, GU pushing up again, but still has a lot of room to melt. Yeah, of course, bro. Yeah, that's what I see too. Welcome to all the new members. Money Fixed Corner, let's go, man. Let's go. I got a sell limit on GJ at 170.2. 170.2. Let's take a look here. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. Okay. Yeah, I could see that. Yeah. Let's clear the charts here, guys. This level here. That's what you're looking, right? Yeah. See, I could see a range for a bit at this point for GJ, but I'm gonna stay out, to be honest. I don't really like what I'm seeing, to be honest, for GJ. We may actually see GJ melt a little bit. Could be a possibility, but right now it's just some sideways action, guys. Yeah, we'll see what ends up happening. Yes, we got Money Fixed Corner. Shout out, bro. Shout out to you, my man. Let's go. Keep doing your thing, man. I like your setups. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. Appreciate the love. Appreciate the support. Really do, man. Welcome to the family as well. Not sure if you're already part of the family, but make sure you guys join in. Also, guys, join into the Telegram group. We got an amazing community on there as well. The link is in the video description below. All right, guys, so let's take a look at our poll. Where are we at with our poll? We're at 30 likes, guys. Can we get it to 35? Let's go. Damn. All right, so it's funny enough, I actually did it makes sense. If I'm doing this poll right now at this time, most people prefer Asian session at this point, and Sydney session right now, over New York and London, which kind of makes sense because I did it in the morning, did the same thing, and then New York won. So okay, so that's good though, because either way, I'll you know what I mean. If you guys do enjoy these live streams that I do here in the evening for me, I'd be more than happy to do it, guys. You know what I mean? It's a lot of work to push through, but I'd be willing to do it for you guys. You know what I mean? If you guys, I know I've been getting, you know, a lot of messages every day, guys, from people where they're like, yo, Pedro, man, it's, you know, your live streams have helped me so much. You know what I mean? How to look at the markets, how to have patience, you know what I mean? How to, everything, psychology. I teach everything, guys. You know what I mean? I teach you, I'm not saying I know it all, but I'm just teaching you what I know. You know what I mean? And, you know, it's been 6 years, guys. You know what I mean? 6 long years, and it's crazy how time flies. Yeah, just best thing I could tell you guys is if you're looking to level up in your trading, maybe you're just tired of losing trades. Maybe you're tired of, you know, blowing your account. Maybe you're tired of just, you know, you've been doing it for 3-4 years. You know, you've been doing this consistently for a year, 2 years, 6 months, and you still haven't seen results. Guys, come in live. I'm live every single day at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in New York Open. And I'll also come in the evenings as well, too, like right now, you know, to be able to support you guys, you know what I mean? To help you guys in your trading, you know, share my knowledge as much as I can. And, you know what I mean? Like I said, being able to give is such a better feeling than being able to receive, you know? Like getting a gift is nice and all, but when you give, guys, it's such a great feeling, you know what I mean? And being able to create an impact, that's even better, you know? Guys, we're currently tied right now. We're at 16 votes. New York and Asian session are at a tie. Let's go, guys. I want to see your votes. Leave your votes in right now in our poll. We've got our preferred session poll that we've got right now. We're at 44% tie right now with New York Open. Let's go. Guys, we're at 30 likes. Can we get it to 35? Let's go. Let's fill up my water here, guys. Also, welcome to all of our new members that are just joining in. I do see some new members joining in, guys. Welcome to La Familia. As you guys know, I'm not creating a cooking channel here or anything like that, but I do like my tea. You guys know. Ya tú sabes, man. Ya tú sabes. I do like my teas. I do like my teas. For London session. Okay, guys, so I'm thinking of doing a giveaway, and basically the way you can enter in this giveaway is one of two things. Master, yeah, bro, you know, it was just a joke, bro. But laugh out loud, it's too funny. I'm just trying to be a little bit, you know, a little bit funny, man. Some humor, you know what I'm saying? It's 12. It's almost no, it's 11. Feels like it's 12 midnight. Gonna be doing a giveaway, guys, and we'll in the future I'll actually be potentially looking at like doing money giveaway and stuff like that. But right now, I really want to see how much people are really serious. You know what I mean? Serious with your trading game. Let's say you are really serious in your trading game and you want to level up and you want to be able to learn how to trade. You really genuinely want to learn how to trade. You want to see how I look at the markets. You really want to just, you know, see all that type of stuff and how we're able to catch these trades. Obviously, not all of you can show up in the live streams. Not all of you can sit in the mornings when I'm here at 7 a.m., 6:30 in the morning, 7 a.m., looking at the markets, taking trade opportunities, whatever, right? Some of you don't have that opportunity. So the nice thing is, that's why, you know, I had lots of people reach out and say, hey man, do you have any course? Nothing. I don't have a course, but I do have my inner circle. I have my VIP inner circle. Now what I want to do is I want to give you guys an opportunity. I'm going to give 2 spots. Okay. And you guys are here. You guys are the lucky ones right now that are watching. And I'm going to give 2 spots, okay, for you guys to join in on that VIP inner circle, okay? And those 2 spots will give you, okay, I'm going to give you guys 6 months access, okay? That's over $400 in value. Right now, I have it, I think it's $497 is my price for 6 months access on that VIP inner circle. It's not just signals, guys. It's actually, I show you how I look at the markets. I do have some amazing material that I also give out to all of the students there, all of the members that you can reference back. And also we've got a separate group chat where you guys can share your ideas and all that type of stuff. But anyways, I'm going to give 2 spots away for my VIP inner circle. The only thing you have to do to be entered, guys, is share this video, like this video, share it in your social media, take a screenshot that you've shared it, and tag 3 friends. Tag 3 friends in the video, and just share it to them. And then just send me a screenshot of that, you can send it through the group chat in our free Telegram group and say done. That's all you have to say, done. Screenshot with you sharing it. Then that's enough for you to enter. Then I'm gonna do the draw. I'm gonna do the draw tomorrow night. That's it. Tomorrow I'm gonna draw out 2 more people and I'm gonna add them into my VIP inner circle, and that's 6 months free. And again, that's $497 in value, absolutely free. I want you guys to learn. I really just do want you guys to learn. I want you guys to see how I look at the markets, and I want to help you level up in your trading. Okay, guys, that's straight value right there. And so I look forward to seeing you. That all you have to do is like this video, share it on social media, screenshot that you shared it and that it's been shared, and also tag 3 other friends that you know that are in the industry that are maybe looking to trade. This isn't just about like just getting it out there. It's actually people that want to learn. You know what I mean? I don't want you to share it to, like, I don't know, like, you know, a cousin or something that doesn't even care about trading. Like, you know, the point is, so anyone that you may know, I mean, someone that's just starting out or want to trade, share it with them, tag them, you know, in your post, and then screenshot it, and then I'll get you guys in. Okay, and then we'll do the draw tomorrow for 2 spots for our VIP inner circle. Look forward to seeing the results for that. So far right now, let's take a look at the results for our polls. We're at 17 votes right now. New York is in the lead, guys. So what happened? What was the shift? What made the shift, guys? Let's go. Guys, if you're just joining in, make sure you guys subscribe. I know we have a couple new members just joining in, guys, but also before you subscribe, do a vote. Vote in our vote box here. We've got, what's your preferred session? New York, London Open, New York Open, or Asian Sydney session? It didn't allow me to add other ones, but I do like pre-New York as well too, guys. But anyways, and then all the new family members that are just joining in, guys, let me know where you guys are joining. Let's go. Okay, so GU is going, we're getting that nice rejection. That's what we want, so we can expect a nice clean continuation to the downside. That's what we want. 30-minute time frame, nice clean setup. GJ as well, we're looking, like I said, it's just looking overall just kind of bearish, but it's just very like choppy, to be honest. I would just kind of stay away from it. Odd USD, let's go up on the higher time frame again. Odd USD, like I said, we're kind of at this level here. I may expect some sort of a retracement for Odd USD, but it's probably just going to range around this area because this is another, this is the highs over here, and we're just kind of going into this range area here, if you think about it, right? So we're kind of stuck in this range area here. So if we look into it, this is what we've done right now. We're back into a range essentially, okay? So what do we do in a range? We trade the highs of the range or the lows of the range, but we're mainly always looking for a breakout. That's the whole objective of a range, guys. And let me tell you, and I've told you guys this in the past, the markets almost 80% of the time is ranging, okay? Not a lot of people tell you that. Not a lot of people know that, right? But 80% of the time, the market's going to be always ranging, guys. Guys, New York is at a lead right now at 47%. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm gonna put, so we're gonna probably finish it off there. So we're gonna give, I'm gonna give it, we're at 27 minutes. It's the poll has been on for 27 minutes. We've got 3 minutes left, and then I'm gonna call it off, and we'll call the winner for the poll. Okay. Also, guys, we're at 31 likes. Let's go, guys. Appreciate the love. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it to 35 likes. All right, so that's that for that. Let's take a look at Euro USD. Yeah, Euro USD. Higher time frames, I'm expecting some sort of a retracement, at least to this level of structure. What's going on with Bitcoin? Let's take a look at Bitcoin. I haven't seen Bitcoin in a while, man. Yeah, so we were ranging for a long time here, and obviously you can see my highlighted areas here. We were ranging for quite some time. We got a nice break above out of this range for Bitcoin. And so look at this, in the bigger picture, I did have this also as a major level of support. So you know, for Bitcoin, what I'm expecting is a retracement for sure. Like, we got to get a pullback. So I'm expecting price to pull back for sure, probably down to this level of support over here. It's kind of my next target area for Bitcoin. Probably see Bitcoin come down to this level here, about 20,275 range area, and then we may see a nice consolidation for a bit. Price finally go back up. Eventually, probably around the 24 range again. But first, before it even gets to there, I probably see Bitcoin going up to around short term, around probably around the 21,000 right now. So we're sitting right now at 20,600. So yeah, so I see it probably reaching around 21,000 range. 21,000 range. And then if we break above the 21,000, then my next target area is probably around the 22.4. But yeah, so we'll see what ends up happening, because it could be a fake out too, right? So, but we did get a nice strong push, so that's pretty good, pretty solid. So now we should just wait for a pullback, guys. We're not gonna buy right now, because that would be okay. Oh shoot, guys. All right, 11:29. We are in a complete tie right now with New York and Asian session. What's going on, guys? I can't close it off as a tie. Let's get these votes right now. Let's get to 20. We're at 18 votes right now. Let's get it to 20 votes and finalize this poll. We're at a tie right now with New York session and the Asian. So we'll see what ends up happening, guys. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. We need 2 more votes. What are these 2 votes gonna be? We've got Ventec Pedro. I shared the video on my Twitter for the giveaway. Perfect. Awesome, bro. Thank you. And I hope you win. Best of luck. Okay, we've got another vote. We need 1 more vote, guys. It seems like Asian session's winning so far. Who is gonna win, guys? 1 more vote. We're at 19 votes, guys. Let's get this poll. Let's finish off this poll, guys. What's it gonna be, guys? What's it gonna be? 20, let's go. Oh, the official winner is Asian in Sydney session. New York, we're at 40%. And London was at 15. Damn. Pretty darn close. Awesome work, guys. Awesome work. So I've got another poll that I'm gonna put here. Awesome, guys. We're at 35 likes. Can we get it to 40 likes? Let's go, guys. Also, welcome to all the new members that are just joining in. I'm seeing a couple new members just joining in, guys. Make sure you guys also don't forget to hit the notification bell, guys. That way you get notified when we're live. Obviously, we're live every single day, but in the evenings. Let's go. So we should expect some sort of retracement for BTC. Take a look at Ethereum, and then we'll go back into our currency pairs. ETH. Oh, hold on one sec. We're at $1,500, eh? No, this is not one second, guys. I'm like half asleep right now, man. Okay, there we go. This makes more sense. All right, guys. First target is these highs over here. The next target would be above here. So I could see Ethereum do something like this, guys. We got a nice strong push. Now I would expect price to kind of pull back and potential continuation to the upside. Okay. Something like that. That's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Yeah. We were ranging for quite some time here, eh? Since September. Could be forming some sort of ascending wedge pattern formation. Yeah, I could see it continue to go higher. Something like that. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We're at 36 likes. Let's go. Welcome to all the new family members. Welcome to La Familia, guys. Let's go. Let's go. You guys are new to trading, or you're looking to trade, or looking to level up in your trading, or you've been struggling, whatever the case is, guys, make sure you guys join La Familia. Join the family, guys. We have an amazing community, guys. I'm going to share the Telegram group link as well, guys, so I'm gonna share it here in the chat box below. Make sure you guys join as well too. Make it easier. And I look forward to seeing you guys join the family. There we go. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go back to our pairs here, and that's what we were looking at for Ethereum as well. So yeah, we were looking at gold. May see it short term push back up potentially. Short term, we got that push to the downside. I'm still expecting it to probably come down, I'll be honest. Unless it was some sort of a fake out and then it pushes back up, but I'm expecting it to probably come back down. We'll see. London session maybe comes down. New York, we might get a support at the 20 moving average, and then we can maybe see some nice clean buy setups for New York Open. It's kind of what we're looking at, guys, so far, but we are trending to the upside short term. And then my targets here for gold at about the level or key level zone of around 1680.240, around that range. Yeah. GJ ranging a bit, looking a little bit bearish. Broke that level of support. GU again, longer term trades, guys. Once we get London session kick in, we'll start seeing the big moves happen. But we are getting a rejection of that level, which is good. You just got to be patient, guys, and let it ride. It's still early, right? So we got Master here, bro. I have a problem. What's going on? What's going on, bro? So we're at 36 likes, guys. Let's get it to 40. We're so close. Well, all we need is 4 likes. We're at 40. Guys, I'm at 885 subscribers. Let's go. Appreciate it, guys. I'm happy to have all those family members joining in here, guys. It's been a journey. I know many of you guys have been following me since the very beginning. So yeah, maybe like I said, if you're new to trading, or maybe you're tired of not seeing the results you're hoping for, guys, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe, guys. Let's see if we can get it to 900 subscribers tonight. We're gonna be those 5 lucky subscribers that are gonna level up their trading. Let's go. Okay, Master, let's go. My analysis is working pretty well. I took 7 trades and 6 trades went in my direction, but I only got 2 profit trades. I took 7 trades and 6 trades went in your direction. Okay. So the 7 trades that you took, were they the same trades that you took? So okay, you're saying you said so 5 trades hit the stop loss and went in my direction. Oh shoot. What's the range of your stop loss? Like, how big is your stop loss? Welcome, Maurice. Welcome. What's the time frame, please? 30 minutes. Sorry, bro. Should be good there. You see it there? 30-minute time frame. You guys can still get it on GU. It's still good. And remember, it's a long-term trade, guys. Long-term trade for GU. We're looking at sells. We'll wait for London Open. London Open should give it that nice volume that we're looking for. Always manage your risk, guys. Please, please, please. You want to manage your risk. How big was your stop loss, bro? 25 pips. Okay. I don't know if I've never done it before, but I don't know if you guys can. Master, do you want to send me the link to your, what do you use, TradingView? Do you use TradingView? Send me a picture of one of your trade setups. Can you send me a picture in the chat box? Let me know if you can. If not, send it through Telegram, and I'm gonna try and analyze it here. I'm gonna pull it up here. Yeah, send it to me, and we'll see. We'll see if you want, obviously, if you want. And then that way I can kind of look and see what you were looking at. You can send me that TradingView link. You can send it through Telegram. I'll click the link and it should pop up here, because I think you can share your analysis on TradingView. Welcome to all of our new members, guys. We're at 37 likes. Let's go, guys. Appreciate the love, guys. Appreciate the support. The question of the day is, can we get it to 40 likes, guys? Take a look. AUD/USD. Yeah, we're back in that range. Euro USD, waiting for the pullback. Again, no volume, guys. Like, this is not Oh, look, our euro odd trade. We took this at the beginning of the live stream. Look at this. So if you would have took a sell when I told you guys to, you'd be up right now 34 pips. Look at that, guys. Just like that. Overall, main target area is 74 pips. So look at that, guys. Live in the flesh. Another one. This one we took this morning. We took three trades. Well, actually two. We took, well, technically I took 4 trades today. Out of the 4 I only took 2, but I called out 4 because obviously it's hard to manage, guys, you know what I mean? Manage the channel and then also manage, like, you know, the group, right? Like, I have the Telegram group that I have, you know, we have our Blessed Traders Academy group, which is absolutely free to join, guys. The link is in the video description below. And then I have my inner circle, which I really put a lot of time and effort in. And my VIP inner circle is where I really explain everything, guys, when I'm looking at the charts, how I'm looking at the charts, you know, where I'm looking to get out, where I'm looking to get in, all that type of stuff. So but we were able to catch 4 total, with including the 2 from the live stream. So NZDUSD, nice buy setups, so we caught some nice pips there too. Euro odd, gold. And I cleared the charts, but you guys can go back in the live stream. You guys will be able to see the trades we took. It's all there, guys. Master, yeah, bro. Send me that link then. Send me the link through the chat here if you can, and then if you can't through here, try it through here. If it lets me, then perfect. And I just click it. If not, send it through the group on Telegram. Welcome to all the new members, guys. If it's your first time here, guys, welcome to the family. Welcome to La Familia. Super excited to have you guys here joining us tonight. Let's get it. And like I say, as always, guys, as more and more people join in, let us know where you're joining us from, guys. Put your little flag in the chat box below. Let us know where you're joining us from, and let us know your name as well. Also, guys, if you have, so this isn't just for mastery as well, if you guys have a chart you guys want me to look over, make sure you guys send me the link. You guys can send me the link. I'll take a look before we kind of finish off this session. Send me the link in the chat box. We'll see if it works. If it doesn't work, then send me the link from your trading view where you can share your chart, and then I'll look over live right now. So make sure you guys send me the link to your chart. I'll click the link, and then we'll look over some charts, guys. Let's go. Welcome, guys. Welcome all the new members. Welcome to La Familia, guys. Let's go. We're at pretty much almost 40 likes. We're at 39 likes right now, guys. Let's get it. Jasper, welcome, my man. Gold, we're looking at a pullback, potential pullback for gold. I've gone over gold a couple times because I know you're probably just joining in right now, so, but I'll just give you a quick rundown. Like, we're just looking for a nice pullback, right? Look at this. So gold, I'm expecting it to push down here. Currently I'm expecting it probably London session to continue to go down further and pull back to this level of structure. It's about 100 pips, guys. So obviously we were looking at gold sales from the top here, so that's when we already got in when I was looking at it at the live stream. So we technically are up. If you would have took gold right now, sells in the current live stream, you'd be up around 48 pips, and right now it's currently floating at about 26 pips, so you'd still be in profits. But overall, I'm expecting gold to potentially come back down here, not all the way down here, not 100%, because you know, typically price will come down to the bottom of that wedge pattern formation, which is still 51 pips total. However, we could see price come back down, create some sort of a quick wick, especially knowing gold, it might wick down and then come back up, right? So by the time all this price action happens, I'm expecting New York open. We may see kind of London melt or kind of some sideways action a little bit, and then we get in on the pullback here. New York Open, and start looking for buy setups for gold. But overall, if we look at the 1 hour, how does that look like to you? That looks like a nice bearish sentiment, guys. Beautiful, beautiful setup, guys. Exactly as predicted, live in our live stream, guys. Guys, welcome. We're at 40 likes. Let's get it, guys. Can we get it to 50 likes tonight? We'll see. Okay, guys, so we've got it here. I hope that was helpful, Jasper. Did you understand that? Yes, let me know. We've got CEO Harsh. Hey, give me 1 sec. It just reset. Hold on, give me 1 sec. The chat box just reset. 1 sec. Just gonna read your comment. Okay, there we go. 1 second here, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, we got Harish here. Love from India, man. Love your content. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it, man. Really do appreciate the love. So huge shout out to Harish there. Harish, sorry. Mastery, I'm just trying to figure out what's going wrong. My analysis is working well, but I'm getting stopped out by the market. Yeah, so it really just depends on the entries, bro. Like, I mean, like I said, I can take a look at your charts if you like, you know, live if you want here. You know, you have me here now, but if not, I totally understand. You know what I mean? If you don't want to, that's okay. But again, I would have to see kind of where you're getting your entries, right? Because if you're getting stopped out and then it goes in your direction, why are you getting stopped out? Where are your entries? You know what I mean? Because 25 pip stop is pretty decent. Like that's what usually what I do. My stop loss is mainly always 20 to 25 pips, max 30 pips. You know what I mean? Max 30 pips. Like, unless it's like a longer term trade, then I'll do like, you know, a 40 pip stop loss, 45 pip. If it's like a longer term, like, you know, swing trade, sure, I'll do like a bigger stop loss, right? But Jasper, I'm new to trading, so I don't really understand why it's bearish. Your trend line is on an upwards trend, but thank you for the view. No worries, bro. So basically it's just doing a pullback, right? So you know what I mean? So price, we are in an upwards trend. It's currently the way I'm saying it's bearish is basically I'm expecting price to retrace, basically, right? I'm expecting price to potentially pull back down before it continues to go in its upwards trend, right? But remember, every time frame, excuse me, that's something that takes some time, because you did say you mentioned you're new, right? So we have to also understand it's kind of like Inception. You're in a dream within a dream. So that's kind of how it works with trading too, right? So with trading, we're in a trend within a trend in a higher time frame. We're trending to the downside in a higher time frame, but that downside trend, we're also in an upwards trend, if that makes sense. Like it's crazy. But once you figure it out and you understand it, then it's kind of like an aha moment. It just clicks. You know what I mean? It's funny. Master, I will send you a screenshot in Telegram, bro. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good, bro. Sufyan S, can you have a look at GJ? Is it worth buying? Yeah, we'll take a look at GJ. GJ is not worth anything right now, to be honest. I would stay away from GJ. GJ lately has gotten me, you know, I don't really want to deal with GJ right now. I want to see if GJ is going to hold this level of support over here. If GJ is able to respect this level of support here, so we're talking about this level over here at about 169.169. If price is able to, which is pretty much at the 20 moving average on the higher time frame on the 4-hour, if we see a heavy wick rejection of this level of structure, and we start, you know, we see the next, I would say the next 3-4 hour candles, then we can expect a continuation to the upside and start looking for buys. I would not look for buys right now, guys. Look at this 4-hour candle. This is not buys for GJ. Okay, we want to see buys at this level structure over here, which is a major level support. This area here is where we're looking for buys potentially, right? But again, I wouldn't really mess with GJ right now because it's just I don't really see anything happening right now. So Yeah, I would maybe look for buys as long as GJ is able to respect this area here, which is a major level of structure here. We can see resistance, resistance. Look how price respected this level here. Resistance, 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 right? And then it held it as a level of what? Support, support. And now we tried to break above, but we failed at this point, so it came back down. So I want to see price respect this level structure. We may say GJ come back down, wick down below here. As long as it respects this level, we may start seeing a continuation to the upside. Okay. I hope you guys understood that explanation there on GJ. All right. Same with our GU. GU is looking like good sell setups. All right. But always manage your risk. We're getting the rejection we want. However, we always want to manage our risk, guys. We got nice rejections there. Guys, we're at 41 likes. Let's go. And we get it to 45. We're so close to 900 subscribers, guys. Damn. Time flies. Jasper, bearish for just the pullback. That's correct. Yes. That's right. That's right. All right, guys, I hope you're understanding that. Let me know if you are understanding that explanation there, as well as with gold, guys. We're killing it, guys. Let's go, let's go. Guys, today alone in the live stream, we took 3 trades that went exactly as expected. Also, guys, like I said, I want to mention for the new members, you know, if you're just new to trading and you're just starting out, guys, make sure you guys watch my other live stream. So even if we finish off tonight and we finish this live stream, make sure you guys go back to my channel and watch all my other live streams. You'll be able to learn a lot, guys, trust me. Ventec, yeah, GU is just gonna range, bro. I think it's gonna range a bit. Maybe London session we'll see some sort of movement, but the good thing is we're getting that rejection there. Even if we look at the 15-minute, we're getting that rejection. We'll see what happens, guys. We shall see. Euro USD, we are getting a push to the downside. We broke below this level of support. I could see Euro USD come down to this level here too. This would be our first level here. See how much of a range? About 40 pips. So even if you set your stops above here, 20 pip stop, even if you do here 25, look. I'll target these lows down here. 70 pips. We need price to pull back. We need that you know, strong push to the downside. We need some sort of a pullback. We need price to exhaust, you know what I mean? After a strong push like that, we should expect price to always exhaust, take a break, you know what I mean? Let's go, let's go. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We got more members joining in, more new family members. Welcome to La Familia, guys. Don't forget, guys, hit that little bell icon, that notification bell, so you don't miss a live stream, guys. I'm gonna put the links for our Telegram group as well, the chat box here. Also, guys, I'm gonna let you know, so I do have the draw, because I know there's a couple new people that are just keep joining in and stuff. So we have a draw for my VIP inner circle. So I'm gonna give 2 spots, 2 free spots for 6 months, guys. Okay, 6 months absolutely free. That's $497 US in value. Okay, right now I have it discounted for $397. And it's not a signals room. That's not the main focus, but I mainly share my analysis, share my breakdowns, share my outlooks, my entries, you know, when I get out, when I get in, all that type of stuff, what I'm looking at in the markets. So I really look forward to seeing you guys join in on my VIP inner circle, but that's not the main focus. The main focus is the draw, because it's free, and that way you guys can take advantage of free. Same with these live streams, they're free. But I'm doing that draw, and you know, for tomorrow. So all you have to do to qualify for that draw is literally grab this video. Okay, you want to like, obviously, if you already liked it, don't worry about it. Share it on your social media. But when I mean social media, mainly focus on Instagram if you have Instagram, and share the link so that people can get access to it. And tag 3 friends that you know really want to learn how to trade. You know what I mean? I don't want you to tag, like, you know, someone random that's just like, you know what I mean? But people that you know that really want to learn how to trade, really want to level up. Maybe they've been trading and they're struggling or whatever. Tag people that you really want to help. You know what I mean? And then once you're done, send me a screenshot that you've shared it on social media, and a screenshot also showing where you've tagged these 3 people. Okay. And then that will get you entered into this draw, which I'm going to do. And I'm going to get 2 new members in my VIP inner circle. And like I said, that's $497 for 6 months for you guys. I honestly really look forward to seeing you guys join in. And I look forward to seeing more lives changed. And like I said, guys, even if it's little, guys, you know what I mean? But you level up in your trading and you start making, you know, $20 a day, $50 a day, $100 a day. It doesn't matter. You're going to be learning, guys, and profit is profit. And, you know, my whole objective is for you guys to see success in trading. And remember, everyone's trading journey is different and unique, right? So don't feel bad if you're taking a long time to learn, guys. I've been in this industry for 6 years, and it really took me about recently, probably the last 2 years, when I really started seeing more and more results. And I'm not even close to where I want to be yet. You know what I mean? But, you know, I'm just very thankful to God for all the opportunities He's given me, and for where we are today, where I am today with the wife, you know what I mean, and stuff. So thank you guys for joining in. Maurice here, you're saving lives, Pedro. Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Appreciate the love and support I've received, guys. We're at 42 likes, man. Wow. That's amazing, guys. I really appreciate it. So yeah, so that's basically all you have to do. And then, like I said, the screenshot, you can send it in our Telegram group. Okay. So if you guys do want to be entered into that free giveaway, you have to share it first. Okay, tag 3 friends, share, like this video, share it, tag 3 friends who really want to learn, and then yeah, send me the screenshot as proof, and then I'll enter you guys into the draw. The winners will be drawn out tomorrow. And that's, again, 6 months, guys. That's big. In 6 months, you know, that could change a lot. It really can. You know? Let's go. Yes, we got the dab. Let's put the little dab emoji here. Let's see. Let's go. Hey, we got the dab emoji there, guys. Damn, man, it's all right, it's 12 midnight, guys, and I'm probably gonna call it a night because we do have to I have to wake up at 6 a.m. tomorrow. So guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the chat box below before we wrap it up tonight. We've got Glee FX, EA. Yeah, man, let's take a look at EA before we leave here. So EA, we're looking for a continuation of sells. EA, we actually took this trade, guys, live in our live stream just now. I was telling you guys we're looking at sells. You know, I set my stop loss here, and then boom, we're targeting the lows here. So if you would have took this trade at the beginning of this live stream, right, you'd be up right now 34 pips. I would be telling you right now, so if you did actually take this trade and you listen to me, I'd take partials right now and move your stop loss to break even, or I'd take my profits and run. What I would do is take my profits and then wait on the pullback and get in again. So I'm expecting price to pull back. It could pull back to 1.55, 128. You might get a reaction there. If it keeps going higher, then the next level of resistance would be at 155, 224. And then that would be an even better entry to get back in on sells, as long as we get rejection of that level and then a continuation to the downside. And I would target these lows over here, right? So it'll look something like this. So expecting it to come back up, reject this level structure up here, right? As long as we're rejecting this area here because of this previous support is now future resistance, okay? If we get nice clean rejections, we get a bearish candle formation, we target these lows. Simple as that, guys. That's a perfect opportunity to get back in if you miss this entry. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm expecting there for Euro odd. 1 second here, guys. We've got these bots or whatever they're called. Now it's different. They're changing it up. My gosh. Glee FX, let me know if that answers your question. I hope you found that helpful as well too. Guys, we're at 42 likes. Let's get it to 45, guys. Let's go. Can we get it to 45 likes? We're at 43. Let's go, guys. Appreciate the love. Appreciate the support, guys. Let's get it. We're almost at 890 subscribers, guys. We're at 890. Can we get it to 900? We just need 10 more subscribers and I'm officially at 900 subscribers. Damn, guys, I just realized that we're so close to 1,000. Wow, we got 45 likes. Wow, thank you, guys. That was quick. Appreciate it. I really genuinely appreciate the support, guys. You have no idea. I really do appreciate the love, appreciate the support. And like I said, it just gives me more motivation to be able to give back to the community as much as I can. You know what I mean? And like I said, I've been sick. You can watch my other live streams. You can go back a couple months and realize that through sickness and everything, man, literally I've been here live. You know what I mean? Just trying to provide you guys as much value as possible. You guys, but I can tell you that trading's all about being patient, being disciplined, and being consistent. That's why kind of my new slogan thing I have is consistency, discipline, and purpose. You know, what's your motivation? You know what I mean? I love that. What's your motivation, guys? What's your drive? You know what I mean? Let me know in the chat box below, guys. What is your motivation? What's your motivation, guys? We're gonna have a little conversation. We're gonna finish it off with a conversation, guys, anyways, and then we'll come back live tomorrow at 7 a.m. But just before we finish off this live stream, let me know in the chat box below two things. If you're new, where you're joining us from, and number two, what is your motivation in trading? Why did you start trading? I want to hear that, guys. And if it's a paragraph, I don't care. I'm gonna read the comments. now that you have me live here, guys, yes, I'm real. I do live here in Canada, and I'm here to listen. I want to hear what your reasoning is behind why'd you get started in trading, and what is your motive, and what's your why. Let me know in the chat box below, guys. I look forward to seeing what your story is and what motivates you. Okay, or what's your why? What's your why? Why'd you start trading? While we wait for people to let me know in the chat box below, what is your why? That's all we're asking right now, guys. What is your why? Comment it below. What was I gonna say? Yeah, we're at 45 likes, guys. Appreciate the love, appreciate the support. Let's go. We're so close to 50 likes. Can we get it to 50? If we can get it to 50 likes, I'll stay a little bit longer, guys. I'll stay a little bit longer for you guys. We're inching to London session. Could be a possibility. Hey, you never know. You never know, man. You never know. I'm waiting to see, guys. What is your why? What's your motivation? Why'd you start trading, guys? Let me know in the chat box below. I'm curious to hear. Everyone's got a different story, you know what I mean? Welcome, Alan. Welcome, Alan, to the family. Alan has... Oh, nacimiento. Are you Portuguese, my man? Portuguese, Latino, Italiano. Where are you joining from? Either way, welcome to the family. Yeah, we're just gonna wait. All right, guys. So we got the first one here from Maurice. Thank you for commenting. More people right now. So, basically the question is what is your why in trading? Why did you? We're pretty much finishing off our live stream, so I just wanted to end it off with this conversation. Our euro odd trade is pulling back nicely, so we're gonna get a nice break and retest. So that's basically the break. We're waiting on the retest. And then we could expect a continuation to the downside. But what is your why, guys? Let me know in the chat box below. I don't care if it's a paragraph. I want to listen. I want to hear from you guys, okay? We're all one big family. Remember that. And, you know, that it's good to share your ideas and your dreams. And it doesn't hurt to dream, guys. I'm telling you. It doesn't hurt to dream because you can make those dreams a reality, right? It's up to you, you know what I mean, to put in the work. Maurice, okay, so I'm viewing from the country Kenya. Maurice, welcome, my man, from Kenya. I've got a lot of subscribers from Kenya. Lots of love, man. Lots of love to Kenya. Let's go. Okay, so right now it's 7:07 a.m. Wow, bro. Okay, so for you guys, I'm assuming New York is like me kind of going into Asian session or something, like trading at 5 p.m. or something. That's pretty cool. Okay. I have a dream of helping my parents and siblings since I come from a humble background. Awesome, bro. You know what, man? Just put your mind to it, trust God, and just keep doing what you're doing, man. And trust me, you will see the results. And the best thing you can do is come in every day. Look over, guys. Look over. This is really important. Always backtest. Study. Come into the lives. The good thing is a lot of YouTubers, not a lot of YouTubers are consistently showing up every day. The nice thing about my channel, not just because it's me, but the nice thing about it is that I'm here every single day, guys. Every single day you will see me here in the mornings. right? At 7 a.m. I'm here. So the nice thing about it is that you can count on being like, I know I have a community I can count on. I know Pedro's going to be ready. You know what I mean? Obviously, unless I get sick or something like that. But even when I got sick, I was still pushing here, guys. I was still coming on live. You know what I mean? But the fact that showing up is not just to come see me, but it's the fact that you're being disciplined and you're training your mind. Remember, it's all in here. You're conditioning your mind. That's why some people say, and I think, I can't remember what speech it was, but it was like a military sergeant, and he said one thing from this, I think he was from the States. He said, if there's one piece of advice I could give you, he says, make your bed in the morning. Why? Well, because you do one small little task and you're gonna feel good. Why? Because our heads, our mentality, right? Our mentality is huge, guys. The mind is so powerful, right? So that little sense of accomplishment of like, yeah, I completed the bed. I didn't want to do my bed. I didn't want to make it clean, whatever, or like not clean, but you guys got what I'm saying. I didn't make my bed. But when you make your bed and you organize it, even if you're like, like whatever, you know, I don't have the time, the fact that you did that task, or the fact that you said, you know what, I'm going to vacuum, or I'm going to clean, I'm going to do the dishes, or I'm going to do whatever, right? I'm going to clean the house, the entrance of the house, or whatever, right? I'm going to throw out some garbage or whatever. The fact that you did that small little task is going to help you level up and do another task and feel a sense of accomplishment. And that's how our minds work, guys. You know what I mean? The fact that you study, the fact that you're showing up, the fact that you're being disciplined is what's going to help you get results. Maurice, proud of you, my man. Keep pushing. And I know you're going to get a point where you're going to see success in your trading. You just got to be consistent, right? Consistent. Come on live. I know I have a couple people, or couple family members that in the group that have told me that they literally watch the live streams even after I'm done. They go back and watch previous live streams and they rewatch the other live stream. Guys, I can't stress that enough. Chart time is important. How many times you're on the charts is really crucial. Make sure you guys are going over back testing. Also, focus on only 2 pairs. You don't want to overdo it. The only reason why in my, for example, my trading view, you notice all these different pairs is literally because I get requests from you guys that are like, hey bro, can you check this pair or whatever, right? That's the only reason why. But I only mainly focus on 3 different pairs. That's it. You know what I mean? Obviously, if I see if an opportunity on a certain pair, I'll get in, right? I'll let you guys know. But I mainly focus on 3 pairs max, right? But when you're starting out, you're going to feel so overwhelmed. So just focus on 2 pairs. 2 pairs that you can master and get comfortable with. You know what I mean? Because that will help you level up in your trading as well, right? And you also want to make sure you always wait for candle confirmations, guys. That's really crucial, really important. Wait for candle confirmations, right? You don't want to just get in impulsively. Remember, trading is all about managing your emotions, controlling your emotions, and not just getting in just to get in, right? So just keep that in mind. Guys, we're at 46 likes, guys. Can we get it to 50? We're so close. Also, guys, for the people that are just joining in, basically what I asked here, we had Maurice here, one of our members, let us know kind of his why. So the question is, what is your why, guys? You're joining in today. What is your why as a trader? Why'd you start trading? Why are you looking at trading? What's your why? What's your motivation? You know what I mean? Let me know in the chat box below, guys, before we wrap it up tonight. Let me know what your why is. What's your motivation? Right? Why'd you start trading? What are you hoping to get out of trading? Right? So, is it time freedom? Is it the financial aspect? Financial freedom? Is it family? Is it being able to give back to them? What is your why? Let me know your why, guys. I want to hear it. Let me know in the chat box below. Shout out to Maurice. Maurice from Kenya. Proud of you, my man. And I know you're going to do big things. Just keep it up. Be consistent. The fact that you guys are all here right now, each and every one of you, the fact that you're here tonight is because you are willing to put in the work. You're willing to hustle. You're willing to grind. And that is the type of mentality you need to be able to see success. And you're doing it, guys. You're doing it. And yeah, proud of you guys. Proud of you guys because you're part of that small percent. While everyone else is watching Netflix and everyone else is going out, they're eating whatever. They're going out having some quesadillas or something, some nachos with a couple beers or something. You know what I mean? Like whatever. And that's fine. You can do that. There's nothing wrong with doing that, guys. But you have to understand that if you really, really want to see success, and success could literally be the peace of mind of just having financial stability, the peace of mind of being able to bless others in your family, the peace of mind to be able to break any curse of generation, right? You want to start a new generation, right? Where no more 9 to 5, no more the same cycle every day, right? And so if that is you guys, you've come to the right place to begin with, the right community, and I'm really, really excited to have you guys here, by the way. And like I said, proud of what you're doing, the fact that you're showing up, the fact that you're looking online, the fact that you're searching. That's how I did. You know what I mean? That's how I found out about, trading. That's how I found out about crypto, Bitcoin. If I hadn't known, if I wasn't looking, consistently looking for ways, man, I need to get out of this. I need to get ahead. I need an edge. How can I invest my money? Where can I invest my money? Right? I would have never known. Guys. You know what I mean? Okay, we've got OG Creed here. Hello, I am Sam from... Okay, so Sam, we've got Sam here from Nigeria. Sam, welcome, my man. Welcome. I want to trade and start my trading journey. Bro, you are in the right place. My best recommendation, start from the beginning. Go watch... I wouldn't say go all the way back, but start watching my last few live streams from the past few days, past few weeks. Go back and watch my live stream. After we're done tonight, in this live stream, go back and watch my other live streams from the very beginning to the end and take notes, guys. Trust me, you'll see results. We've got Sorasit K, freedom. Hey, my man, that's how we do it. That's right. It's all about freedom as well too. Let's go. Yeah, that's right. Bentec GU almost looks like it's kind of ranging. Yeah, it's gonna range, bro. It'll probably range till like 2 o'clock, I'll be honest. That's kind of what I'm expecting. It'll probably do like sideways range, yeah, at this point. Yeah. It's gonna range for sure. Euro odds going in our favor as well. NZD USD, it seems like it's still bullish. Again, we were looking at a range, so a kind of shift or break in the market. So let's take a look here. Obviously, this is the 15-minute. It seems like we're getting bullish sentiment above this range area. So if we break above, okay, this is good. If we break above, again, simple thing. We wait for the strong momentum. We need a strong momentum and closure above, because this is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, we need a strong momentum push, right? We might get a nice clean retracement, and then we get in on this. We get in on this retracement here. We get on the retest. Okay, and we look for buy setups. Something like this. Strong momentum push. Get in on the retest, and then we look for bias, continuation of bias, right? Obviously this is very like just an idea as to what we could expect for price. So give us a nice clean continuation to the upside, something like that, right? But we also have to look at the left hand side. Where could we potentially go to, right? Let's go up to the 4 hour. Again, yeah, so overall sentiment's changing. If it breaks above, then we're looking for clean buys. Oh yeah, looking for clean buys, at least to this level here. We may get some sort of reaction probably around this level here for sure, which would be probably where it's going to pull back. It's probably going to come up, push up, strong momentum push up, and then pull back at this level here. We'll get pricey. This is a major level here, so price will come up. It'll reject this level here because we've got some resistance area here. pull back, and then we can see a continuation to the upside, right? Just to give us an idea, right? I'm not saying that's the case, but that's how we look at it, guys. The market's all about probabilities. It's just knowing how to have an edge in the markets. How can you have an edge in the markets? Look at this. Again, another perfect trade, exactly as predicted. You see my trend line there. You see this area here. This was Euro New Zealand. Again, in our favor. So how much are we running right now? Ooh, this is nice. This is nice. Over 100 pips. And I'm expecting it to probably come down even lower. Probably come down to these lows over here, guys. Oh man, that's amazing. Okay, so we're at 48 likes, guys. Can we get it to 50 likes? Let's go. We just need 2 more people. 2 more lucky members. Let's go, guys. Anyways, we don't have to, but I appreciate you guys. Appreciate the love. Appreciate the support. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome to all the new family members, guys. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell and hit all notifications, guys, so you get notified every single time. Let's get it. OG Creed, I've been watching most of your live. Yes, bro, that's awesome. Appreciate it. And that's good for you too, because trust me, you'll learn so much. Trust me. The amount of times I watch hours and hours and hours and hours and hours of videos and content and stuff like that was... You need to absorb yourself in it. You know what I mean? 100%. 100%. And every day you reset. Every day you reset your mind. You renew your mind, right? Boom. Back at it. Hustle. 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 Study. 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 Until you get the results you need, right? We're at 50 likes, guys. Thank you so much for all the support and the love, guys. Let's get it. Ventec. What's going on, my man? We just made Ventec. I just made $80 going up and down this range, GBP US, with my longer term sell position still going in the background. Awesome, man. Awesome, bro. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. There we go. Take a look at our Euro New Zealand trade as well, going exactly as expected, guys. Nice setup. I like it. 1 hour time frame, so it's a solid trade setup there, guys. Guys, we're at 891 subscribers, guys. Can we get... We got 16 people live. Can we get it to 900 tonight? Oof. Before we leave, it's pretty much 12:25 midnight. And I got to wake up tomorrow at 6 a.m. for our 7 a.m. live stream. I'm here every single day, guys. Here to provide you absolute value. If you guys are new, can you guys do me a huge favor and subscribe and hit that notification bell? We are at 891. Can we get it? Let's see if we got the power of unity. Let's go, guys. Can we get it to 900 subscribers before I go to bed? I think we're capable, or we're pretty much all the people that are here are already part of the family. So our family's growing, guys, which is amazing. But okay, we're at 892. Let's see. Can we get it to 900 subscribers? I know we got a solid team here, guys. We have an amazing family. Can you guys... I appreciate the support. Can we get it to 900 subscribers? Let's go. Let's go. Guys, we got 50 likes, guys. I appreciate it very much. Wow, that's amazing. 50 likes, guys. Let's go. Guys, we're at 893. Man, I could feel the love. I could feel the support, guys. Can we get it to 900 subscribers tonight? I'm gonna spill my water, man. You guys will always notice I love my tea and water. It's really healthy for you guys to have your tea. If there's tea, coffee, whatever you drink, guys, get in your zone. You know what I mean? When you look at the charts, you always want to get in your zone. Something that's going to help you focus. Something that's going to help make you relax, sit back. You know what I mean? Get in your zone when you're trading. You always want to do that, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, welcome to all the new subscribers, all the new members that are just joining in, guys. Welcome to La Familia. Yes, I'm Latino, I'm Spanish. Let's go. I appreciate you guys very, very much. We're almost at 900 subscribers. Like I said, let's see if we can reach it. We're at 12:27. I got to wake up at 6 a.m. for our live stream at 7 a.m. So I think we could do it, guys. We have such a capable, solid team here, guys. We're at 894 so far. We're so close. We're so close. $8.94. Also, guys, I put the link there for our free Telegram group, guys. Make sure you guys join the Telegram family. Like I said, you know, maybe you're just starting out, whatever the case is. Like, we have amazing members, guys. Like, we have Ventec, we have Stedco, we have Tom Brooks, we have so many people. I'm trying to name like people that I know that I see consistently, but we have such a huge community. We got Gonzalo here, bro. Sup, bro? Let's go. Let's go. We got amazing family members here, guys, that are always active in the group as well. And as the group keeps growing, guys, we get a stronger and stronger community. Shout out to Layden, let's go, bro. Welcome to the family, my man. Guys, if you haven't seen the movie Wolf of Wall Street, I freaking love that movie, man. I freaking love that movie. Have you guys seen that movie? Let me know in the chat box if you've seen the movie Wolf of Wall Street. Shout out to Leonardo DiCaprio. I'm not freaking leaving. I'm not leaving. The show goes on. The show goes on. Such a good movie, man. For those of you that didn't watch the movie, you're probably thinking, bro, Pedro's crazy, man. No. Watch the movie, then you'll know what I'm doing. It's very like entrepreneur inspired, and I freaking love that type of stuff, man. I love movies like that. It helps you keep the grind. And that's the other nice thing about this community is that basically everyone that's in this community, yes, you're learning how to trade. Yes, you're learning the skill set, but also, guys, you are entrepreneurs. You know what I mean? You guys have the mindset. You know what I mean? Not everyone has that mindset. You know what I mean? The mindset of, you know, pushing forward, being consistent. You know what I mean? You got the hustle, you got the grind. You know what I mean? So we got such a solid team. Let's go, Gonzalo. Let's go, bro. Mastery, let's go. 53 likes. Yes, bro. Yes. Tonight's the night, guys. We're so close. We are so close. Yes. 53 likes, guys. Can we get it to 60? Let's go. Can we get it to 60 likes? Welcome to all the new family members, guys. If you're just joining in, we're pretty much at the end of our live stream, but I just wanted to welcome you guys. We will be back at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So in about 6.5 hours, 7 hours, we're going to be back in the live stream again. But I'm just waiting to see if we're going to reach our target, guys, of 900 subscribers. I know we're capable. We're at 895. I just need 5 more members, 5 more lucky family members. They're going to benefit massively from our live stream, guys. Guys, in the chat box below, I know that obviously we've got a huge family that's growing, but for those that are, you know, already part of the family or have been following me for quite some time, let me know in the chat box below if I've helped you in any single way. Let me know in the chat box below if you know I've helped you, you know, even with your psychology or the way you look at the markets, or you've been able to profit, whatever the case is. Let me know in the chat box below, guys. I always like to hear from you guys. We got Gonzalo here. Gonzalo, great movie. Yeah, bro. He's just, oh man, it's just too funny, bro. The stuff you would say is just, and he played his part too really, really well. It's just crazy. I love movies like that. It just motivates you, you know what I mean? Let's go, guys. We're at 54 likes. We're so close to 60. We got this, guys. We got this. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys, we are so close. Can we reach our 900 subscriber goal? We are 895. Just to begin with, guys, I really do appreciate it. I just want to thank you guys for all the support, all the love. Can we get to 900 before I leave? I'm gonna be here for another 10 more minutes, guys. Then we'll call it a night, because it is 12:33 a.m. here in Canada. So yeah, and I gotta wake up in the morning for our live stream, our next live stream. We're so close, guys. I know we're capable. Let's get it. Tony, let's go. Yes, guys, we could do it. Let's go. Let's get it. Maybe it's your first time, guys, joining in, and you're looking to level up your trading, or maybe you've just struggled so much with your trading, guys. Whatever the case is, make sure you guys join our family, guys. Guys, take a look at this trade. Euro New Zealand melting exactly as predicted, guys. We took actually four amazing trades, but in the live stream we took two, and basically the third one I called it in the live stream as well, and in my my VIP inner circle as well too. Take a look at this, guys. We are currently floating at, 133 pips in our favor. Amazing turnout for Euro New Zealand, guys. We had an amazing opportunity there. Great trade setup. Same with odd cad. We missed our entry. So we missed our entry, but overall the bias, everything went exactly what we were expecting. I was just waiting for the pullback to come at least closer to the 0.50 and at least a 0.618. That's where you can see this area was highlighted green. Do you see that level there? This was kind of my buying zone area. That's why I had everything marked off, but it didn't touch down here. So it is what it is. Sometimes price will do that. Sometimes the pullback is very, like, the overall sentiment of the market is very bullish or very bearish. Goes both ways. And so sometimes we just have to, ride it out. It is what it is. You miss out on some opportunities you get it. It is what it is. You know what I mean, guys? So, Layden, let's go, bro. Layden, good night, bro. Love the trade. See you in the morning. Yes, bro. Sounds good. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow, Layden. Let's go. Yes, we got Tony here. Fire. Let's go, Tony. Ventec, you're going to get 1K subs very soon. Yes, Ventec. We're almost there, bro. We're almost there. Let's go. And again, like I said, guys, I really do appreciate it. I do appreciate the support I've received, guys, these past few months. I've been doing YouTube, just like, I've been on and off for like so many years, you know what I mean? And then just recently, like I said, I really started doing it after a honeymoon trip that we took. We had our honeymoon. We went to Mexico. Me and the wife, we went to Riviera Maya. And that's really kind of, I met with my friend, Andres Martinez. And man, he really opened up my eyes, and he said, man, you have lots of talent, man. And you have something that a lot of people wish could learn. And I'm just like, I know, man, but I'm like, I'm not even close to where I want to be. So I'm like, why would I be teaching other people? But then he's like, yeah, man, but you don't realize that until you're one step ahead of someone, that's all that matters, right? It's like, and I was like, really? Like, people will want to learn, like, for me? And I'm like, yeah. And he's like, yeah, man, of course. He's like, and then I was like, man, this actually has been something that, like I said, I've been doing it for 6 years. And then recently Forex was more, I really started seeing results around the last 2 years, I would say, around the last 2 years for Forex. And pretty much the pandemic, when the pandemic happened and all that. So then I'm like, really, man? Like, you think so? And he's like, yeah, man, trust me. And like, obviously he does like online, like he's a coach. He coaches people like on how to do their online business, all that type of stuff. But that's what he does, right? He does it on Facebook, and he doesn't have a YouTube channel, nothing like that. And you know, I always told him, I'm like, yeah, you know, I've always wanted to do YouTube, but I didn't want to just create a YouTube channel without giving value, or without giving some sort of creating a team, you know, a community, right? And so I was like, I want to do it, but I also want to provide value. I don't want to be just doing a random video of, like, you know, my dog or something, you know what I mean? Like, and but then I'm like, you know, I've always been that type of person. I've always had that entrepreneurial mindset. I've always been investing. I've always been doing stuff like that. You know what I mean? Like, just, you know, hustles, like side hustles, stuff like that. Always been doing that. You know what I mean? Man, I flipped everything. Like, I did phone flips, all that type of stuff. So I always had that entrepreneurship mentality. And, you know, car flips too back then. And then all of a sudden, you know, trading 6 years ago, got introduced into it. Bitcoin, you know, went through the whole shebang, cryptocurrency, you know, Forex, even previously, first Forex, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, then Forex again. And then Forex, I really started seeing results within the last 2 years. That was the really push. And that was kind of the catalyst, guys, of everything, really, to be honest. And being able to do the trip that I did when I went to Mexico, and I saw my friend, and when he told me what he said, you know what, man, you have no idea how much you can change people's lives. And there's people out there that would really appreciate it, listening to you and your experience, and just being maybe one step ahead of them, or, you know, a couple steps ahead of them, and be able to be like, man, I've been there, and trust me, I can support you every step of the way. You know what I mean? So he really gave me a different perspective, and I was like, damn, man, that's true. Like, even when I started, right, like, just being able to understand what is a chart, you know, what are trend lines, what's support, resistance, you know what I mean, what the heck is a Fibonacci, you know what I mean, a Fibonacci, all that type of stuff, right? So being able to have someone that is been there, you know what I mean, or at least gives an importance to what you're looking to learn is massive, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's kind of where I started. And so that's why August, you'll notice that, yes, I did have some videos I tried for like about a year or so, but then I really started putting in the effort into it, which was like after our honeymoon, which was in August, when we came back from Mexico. That was the catalyst, guys, to really focus on the community. And I really had a desire to create this community for you guys to grow a community that I can build and share and impact. And you know, it gives you a purpose, you know what I mean? Because some people might say, you know, whatever the case is, but trust me, guys, as humans, and as well as, like, how do I put it, a creation of God, you know what I mean? We are so uniquely made, but we also long for purpose. Do you get what I mean? You long to create an impact. Yes, it's nice because you can get to a point where you're financially free, or where you have financial stability, right? Or where you're able to do that. But being able to, you know, understand things differently and look at things differently with a purpose-driven purpose, where you're like, man, I'm actually not only able to make my own profits in the markets, but I'm also to, you know, help out my parents, or, you know what, I'm able to help out my sister, or maybe, you know, I didn't get the support from my parents, or in this case, and I want to help out my aunts or whatever, right? In my case, you know, it's the same thing, right? You know, being able to give back to my family, you know, the wife, you know what I mean? Like being able to have our goals set in place, you know what I mean? Our future, our kids, you know what I mean? What are we going to leave for our kids, you know what I mean? So when you have that purpose, you can have that same exact purpose, guys, you know what I mean? And you know, you guys are capable of that. So guys, we're so close. We're at 897, guys. Can we get it to 900 subscribers? Oh my gosh, we are so close. We are so close, guys. I know we got this. But anyways, let's take a look here. So Ventec, let's go. I used to not be able to read charts whatsoever and was almost just gambling the markets, losing money until I found your channel, and now I've really grown as a trader as a whole. Damn, bro. Wow. You know what I mean? That's just listening to that and knowing that I just literally planted a seed in Ventec. And let me tell you, Ventec, I'm very proud of you, bro, because I've told you this from the very beginning. I love how you look at the markets and you've been able to grow so much, man. But this is what I'm talking about. This is the drive that keeps me going, you know, and being able to see lives changed like that. You know what I mean? Because literally, Ventec, that could be your one step to where you are now. And then you keep going, because I know you're always here. You're always showing up. And that'll be that next stepping stone where you're, wow, I'm profitable now. I'm being consistent now. I'm seeing results now. That'll be that next step to boom. Now I'm not doing half a lot. Now I'm doing full lot. Now I'm doing 5 full lots, right? Or now I'm not doing, 0.20 lots or 0.10 lots. Now I'm doing half a lot. You know what I mean? So, damn, man, that's amazing, bro. I'm super happy to hear that, man. And like I said, very proud of you, Ventec. I know you share in our Telegram community. So guys, make sure you guys join. We have amazing traders and family members that are a part of our Telegram community that always share their ideas. And like I said, I try to stay active as much as possible. I do read every comments there. So I look forward to seeing you guys join in there too. We're at 55 likes, guys. Okay. We're almost, wow, it's almost 1 a.m. So, can I ask you guys a huge favor? We are so close. 897 subscribers. Can we get it to 900 and I can go to bed? And I'll go to sleep and then we can go for our live stream tomorrow at 7 a.m. Let's go, guys. We're going to be the new lucky members in our family here. And we are at 55 likes for this live stream, guys. We had an amazing live stream today, so let's get it. We got for Oddcat as well going in our favor. It seems like it may be breaking above. Same with here. Seems like it's breaking out of the range. USD, we'll see what ends up happening. Oh wow, look at that, take profit smashed for Euro odd, guys. Look at that, beautiful, exactly as predicted. We were expecting a pullback, but that's fine. Then you know, like I said, wait for the pullback and get in on the entry. But if we didn't get the pullback and you were already in the trade, it's all good. Right now you would be up around 57 pips. And then I think we took also, what was it, an NZD? No, this one's not. It was Euro Pound. No, it wasn't Euro Pound. Got another trade too. It was like up 100 pips. Euro NZD. Yeah, look at this. It continued to go down further. We're currently up 148. Yes. I'm still thinking it's going to go down further, guys. Anyways, right now we can wait for the pullback. If we get some sort of a retracement, wait for the retracement probably to this level of support. Okay. Future resistance, as long as it respects this level of structure, we can re-enter on sells here. All right. Re-enter on sells. All right. All right, so we've got Maurice. See you tomorrow. You need to sleep, bro. Yeah. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. Ventek, I'm gonna share your stream with some of my friends. Get you to 900. Oh, bro, thank you so much, Ventek. I appreciate it. It's all good, guys. We're pretty much there. We're pretty close. So thank you so much, guys. Either way, for joining in. We're at 898. Welcome to all the new members, guys. Can we get it to 900 subscribers before we call it a night? And we're gonna go into yeah, pretty much I'm gonna go to bed and then wake up tomorrow at 7 a.m. again. Light DN, hello, can I ask a few questions? Is this okay? Let's take a look here. Light Anna, is this your real main job? Are you profitable and are you trading real money? Yes. So as I've told you guys in the past, 100% full transparency, I do have my full-time job. Okay, I am in sales. I'm in the sales industry, and this job has been a blessing because it's actually helped me get my home as well. I've been there for 4 years. I've been doing trading for 6 years. So for those of you that I don't know, I invested in cryptocurrency with the wife back in 2016. Okay, before the 2017 bull run that we had. Then I got involved. I had heard about Forex, dabbled into Forex a little bit. And then I did e-commerce as well, did some money in there as well. And so yeah. And then yes, of course, you can see we take trades live. So obviously we're profitable. And if you don't believe me, just follow the journey. Follow the journey, you'll see, guys. But yeah, so and then yes, I trade with real money. I'm not funded, it's my own money. Okay. So welcome, Light DN. I hope that answers your questions, my man. Like I said, I'm here every single day. So I push along, chug along with my full-time job, and I still do the live streams every single day. Even sick. And we do the live streams actually I try to do it twice. So we come in the mornings at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday to Friday, and I do in the evenings as well. You know, one of the things I really learned a lot was from one of my mentors. He said one thing. He was actually working he was actually a manager of an international company here in Canada. And at the time I was working in painting with my father. And it was crazy. So he told me one thing. He said, Pedro, you know that right now, if they let me go, I'm good. But you know why I'm still working at my job that I work? I'm like, why? Why are you working? His name was Paul. He's still here, but like he lives like 20 minutes from where we live at our house now. But he lives a little bit further out. He was literally, he bought land, destroyed the old house, and he built a mansion. And if you go on my Instagram, you'll be able to see the house. I'm leaning like this on my truck. And that was when I had a painting company at the time. That's crazy. Crazy how times change, guys. And he taught me a lot. He really taught me a lot about the mentality, right? So he was like, Pedro, I could literally leave right now if I wanted to. But he's like, you want to know why I haven't left? He's like, because I'm building my cushion. And same thing with me. I've realized at my job, I'm thankful for the job that I've had. And even though in trading, and people even at my work have said, man, like, yo, like, what do you mean you just made $700 in one day? What are you talking about, bro? You know what I mean? For them, it's like, what the heck is that, right? But they don't know that you're building that cushion. You're building that cushion. You're building that cushion. You're building that cushion. In God's time, I will be like, okay, this is it. Same with the YouTube, right? Like with my YouTube community, with you guys, if I'm able to reach a point where I could be like, you know what? I'm going to dedicate 100% of my time with you guys, because I do see that you guys are growing, and being able to impact so many lives is huge. And the fact that I'm able to pull off what I pull off, doing my job, you know, having a full time and being able to make money in trading and pushing along is, let me tell you, coming from where I've come from is massive. And it's a lot. It takes a lot of work, guys, a lot of dedication to create these videos, to edit, come on live, to wake up in the mornings, then after you wake up in the mornings, you go and do a full-time job. It's a lot. It definitely is, you know. And being able to see your journey, you know, going from like blowing your accounts to like losing money to this to that, to being able to buy a home, to be able to pay off your wedding, to be able to, you know, pay off your cars, you know what I mean? Like it's huge. But personally, and you guys will notice this, you know, personally, for example, you have nice things, right? But some people are very flashy. I don't like to be flashy. You know what I mean? I like to travel. I like to show that I travel, and I share it with people that I care about, right? But that's about it. Like, you know what I mean? I like my cars. I'll give you that. I really love my cars. You know what I mean? Me and the wife, we have our X6, BMW X6. We love it. It's like a truck, big BMW X6. We love that thing, man. It's gorgeous. And, you know, having cars is cool. I love cars, and I think that's the biggest thing for me. I love my BMWs. I had a Mercedes. I just got hit rear-ended in November on my way to my buddy's wedding. We were on our way to the wedding, and everyone's like, yo, Pedro, can we use your car to show up, you know, at the church? And I'm like, yeah, man, sure, whatever. It's a C350, white on white. I loved that thing too. And again, I never really, if you go on my social media, I've got pictures of the car, but I never posted it. You know what I mean? Because I don't care to show people that. You know what I mean? I know for some, that's what they like to look at, but this just not me. You know what I mean? And so, like I said, with me, guys, you will get 100% transparency. I will tell you how it is, and I'll tell you the day when I go, guys, this is it. I'm going full in. You know what I mean? And I can't wait for that. You know what I mean? But what I've built and what it's helped me get, you know, this year was huge. Me and the wife, we were able to get this home, which is such a blessing to buy our first home. You know what I mean? In Canada, let me tell you, in Canada, especially in where we live in Ontario, it's one of the most expensive markets. If you Google it right now, it's more expensive, and I think it's more expensive than Hidden Valley or somewhere in LA, Vancouver, New York. It's up there. If you look up, it's insane. So we're so fortunate that we were able to get this home. But definitely thankful that we bought our first home this year. You know, we paid off some debts. We what was I gonna tell you? Yeah, we paid off the cars. We had to sell our Bitcoin portfolio. I'll be honest, we liquidated completely on our Bitcoin portfolio to be able to put some money for the down payment for the house, right? But again, guys, these are things that you know what I mean? Like, I don't go around telling people this, you know what I mean? There's people, oh, we got a new house, and then you post a picture of the house and this, and you know, we have it's called a stackable townhouse. It's like a condo townhouse. Oh shoot. So it's got like these really nice long balconies. It's like so nice. But anyways, you know what I mean? So you guys, with me, you don't have to worry about that type of stuff. I'm not really flashy. It's just not how I do things, guys. Okay. Anyways, guys, we reached our goal, 901. Appreciate you guys very much. Appreciate the love. Appreciate the support, guys. GBP USD, you can call me Pedro. But I appreciate it, man. I guess sir is very far away, so I appreciate it. But you can call me Pedro, man. It's all good. GBP US. So GBP US facing back. We need to see rejection for it to continue to go down higher. So if you got into this trade, you want to manage your risk at this point. So just make sure that you don't move your stop loss. If it comes and hits your stop loss, it is what it is, excuse me, and you move on. That's it. Simple. Right? The worst thing you could do as a trader is try to expand things and push it, right? You don't want to do that, guys. Okay? You don't want to do that. Welcome to all of our new members, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Appreciate you guys. Let's go, let's go. Guys, if you're new, make sure you guys subscribe below, hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time we're live, guys. Let's get it. I think there might be a glitch in the system. We reached 900 and then it went, did it go back down or what's going on here? No, we're at 901. Either way, guys, thank you so much, guys, for joining in. Appreciate you all very much, guys. Let's go, let's go. If you guys are new to the channel or you're just joining us in, guys, make sure you guys subscribe below, but also make sure you guys comment below. I'd love to hear where you guys are joining us from. Let me know what country you guys are joining in from, guys. Appreciate you all very, very much. Appreciate the support, guys. Just give me 1 second here, guys. Let's go, let's go. That's so weird, guys. It's kind of weird. Glitched off there for a bit. Welcome to all the new family members. Let's go, let's go. Welcome, 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 guys. Also, I'm gonna put the link here once more. I'll put the link for a free Telegram group, guys. We have an amazing community, guys. I can't stress this enough, guys. Amazing community of traders here, guys. And this is where you can share your ideas, share your analysis, you know, network with other traders, guys, and learn. The whole point is to grow as a community, guys. We've got Boss here. What about GBP US? Yeah, so GBP US, we just gotta wait it out, guys. It is pulling back at this level. We need to see rejection. If we don't see rejection, then it is what it is, right? So at this point, this also seems like a range. Remember what I told you guys here? This green box, right? This is the low of the range here, right? So but we are also at a major level here, so I'm expecting either way GBP GU to reject this level structure, because we have been pushing to the upside for quite some time. So I'm expecting some sort of an exhaustion, right? We just gotta wait and see what ends up happening. It's 1 a.m. now here in Canada. Let's go. 1 a.m. guys. And the reason why we're getting some sort of a slight pullback here, it's retesting the 20 moving average on the 1 hour. 30-minute seems like it's slightly breaking above, and if it wicks us out, it is what it is. Let's take a look at GJ. GJ is pushing below, like I mentioned. Do you remember this green area here I mentioned before? Right? Do you guys remember this? Yes. Look, this green box. Why do you think I have that green box there? That was that area that I mentioned here at the beginning of the live stream. I mentioned GJ will probably come down to this level. Look how much it's melted already, right? So again, you know, it is what it is. This is kind of what we're waiting for. We'll see. Maybe London session, it'll completely melt and surpass this level structure too, right? And it goes back into this lower range, right? So we don't know yet, guys. We gotta wait for London open. Boss US 30 buy or sell. US 30 not right now. I wouldn't even recommend to touch US 30 right now. But US 30 right now, it looks like we are in a bullish momentum, bullish upwards trend. We have been, you know, pushing to the downside, but the overall like recent trend here is like on the higher time frames we're looking at sells, right? Like it's a downwards trend. But on the 4 hour, we have been bullish for quite some time. Like look at all this, right? Look at this strong bullish momentum. I'm expecting US 30 to probably come up and push higher, probably retest these highs over here, which is that highlighted green area that I have. Probably by New York open tomorrow, we'll see a nice strong push to the upside, but we will get pauses in the markets similar to what we've seen here in the past. You see these pullbacks, pullback. That's what we may see, right? We may see price push above. If we start seeing bearish sentiment or consolidation, but a longer consolidation, then that's a shift of the market, especially when price starts to consolidate for longer times, longer periods of times. That's an indication that the market's starting to shift. Okay, so again, not right now. I wouldn't be looking at US 30. Okay, it's 102, guys. Welcome to all the new members. Let's go, let's go, let's get it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for coming in. Appreciate you all very much. We're so close to 60 likes. We're at 57 likes. Let's go. If you're new to the family, or if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys join the family. Appreciate you very much, all of you guys. Thank you for joining in. I will see you guys in a couple hours anyways. So it's 1:03 a.m. here in Canada. So if you're looking to trade, if you're new to trading, or maybe you've been trading for such a long time but you've just been struggling, make sure you guys join the family. Trust me, you'll find so much more value, and you'll be able to join our community, guys. Also, click the link below in the video description. We have our VIP inner circle, so that's if you're really looking to take your trading to new levels. Make sure you guys click that link, VIP inner circle access. I look forward to seeing you guys join that as well. But also, if you're looking to just start out, make sure you guys join our free Telegram group. We have an amazing community there as well, guys. And I'm also active on there. We're at 59 likes, guys. Let's go. We pretty much hit 60 likes, guys. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the support, guys. And I look forward to seeing you guys in a couple hours. So probably around 6 hours. I'll see you guys again. So I come live again at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So thank you so much, guys. Appreciate you all. Also, if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. Really appreciate it, guys. And also, just to finish off, we have a contest tomorrow. We'll let you know who are the winners. All you have to do is grab this live stream, share it on a social media platform, ideally either Instagram, Twitter, and what you need to do is take the screenshot and share it and tag 3 friends. 3 friends that you are looking at, that are looking at trading. 3 friends that are interested in trading. Not just tagging 3 random people, but 3 people that you may think may be interested in trading. Tag them, because that's the whole point. It's all about sharing the knowledge, sharing the value. And so yeah, once you do that, send me a screenshot and send me a message in the Telegram group. The link is in the video description below, guys. And I'm giving away 2 free spots to our my VIP inner circle, and that is for 6 months. So that's for a 6 months membership. That's $497 US. That's the cost of the 6 months, and right now it's actually on sale for $397. And I literally show you guys my breakdowns, my analysis, what I'm looking at, when to get in, when to get out. And like I said, I just try to provide as much value as possible, guys. So I'm going to be doing 2 giveaways tomorrow. So make sure you guys, like I said, share the video, like, comment, and tag 3 friends. All you got to do is share it, tag 3 friends, and send me a screenshot of it and message me through Telegram, letting me know that you've already done it. And that's it, guys. That's enough for you guys to qualify for in the draw. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate all the love and support. I will see you guys at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow or today, because it's already 1 o'clock. So thanks so much, guys. Bye for now.